Stop it.
Salish! Gio's down! Gio's down! It's 2 against 1 now! Gio!
Stop.
Guys,
Gio.
let's go!
Take the pillow. Sean, take the pillow.
No! No way! No way! The first round is over, but we're not even close to done yet. Today, both teams are gonna do whatever it takes to get the win. For this next round, behind this curtain is a special guest who's gonna bring you food for your sleepover. When the curtain is taken away, Salish will describe to Gio what she sees. But it's up to Salish to lie, or she might tell the truth, and it's up to you, Gio, to guess which one it is.
You would lie to me?
Oh, she'll lie to you. Winning team gets $1,000 to spend it on their
Salish,
sleepover.
come on, Salish, come on, come on, come on!
We're quitters.
Are we ready? Okay, here we go. Move the curtain. Salish has seen what's behind you, and now she's gonna tell you what she sees. And then you have to determine whether or not she's telling you the truth or lying.
I don't know how to explain this.
Oh, God.
Do you know Jolie?
Yeah.
She is in a monkey costume, and she is slipping on a banana, holding an ice cream sundae. And the sundae is like vanilla and then chocolate with a cherry. And that's literally it.
What color is the monkey costume?
Brown.
What's the sundae in?
Like. You know what I'm saying?
And she's slipping on a banana?
Not like slipping, but she's like.
It looks like Salish has chosen to lie to Gio because she's totally making up what she sees. Will Gio believe her, or will he know she's lying?
Like, she looks like she's about to slip.
She's about to.
Yeah.
Gio, we've played this game a couple times with a briefcase, and she's won both times. So, she's good at this. Take a second. Make sure if you lose this point, you guys are down 2-0 early on.
Would you lie to me?
Why would I lie? I'm such a bad liar, and I don't want to lose this point for my team.
You promise?
I actually am telling the truth. Is that your final answer?
Gio, I'm gonna count to 3. On 3, you tell us if you think she's lying or telling the truth. 1, 2, 3.
I think you're lying.
Turn around. Two challenges down, and the teams are tied.
Oh my gosh! This is such a stupid game!
Every time we've done a tell the truth or lying game, Salish has won. That's the first time she's lost. I'm shocked.
So why did you think I was lying?
It was your eyes.
What did my eyes do?
You were looking around and then...
Because I was pretending to look at the stupid banana field!
I know, it was great.
I know, it was great!
You did a good job though, nice try.
Get away!
If things are already this tense, just wait until Gio takes things to the next level. But first, it seems like the girls may be plotting something.
So, am I the only one noticing that like their side is so much better? Wait, what else do you guys have in here though?
No, stop! Stop!
No! Why is she so strong? Oh my God!
Oh, they're stealing the vending machine.
No!
I'm getting trapped!
Okay, actually, we have to get that back.
The next challenge is Who Said It? Before we started filming this video, the girls each told me a bunch of stories about themselves, and you're gonna have to guess which girl said each story. If you do not get 3 out of 5 correct, each of them gets to pie one of you in the face. But if you do get 3 out of 5, you get to pie them in the face. And read off the questions. It's not gonna be me, it's gonna be Pickle Woman herself, Jolie. All right, let's go. All right.
This is the first story. I fell off my bike and then one of my parents biked over me.
Why does that sound like something Jordan would do?
I am so overprotective of Salish. Do you think there's any chance I would ride over her with a bike? I mean, come on.
What? Well,
That's ridiculous.
Salish, was it you?
No.
You looked away, and that's what you did last time.
No, it
when you
actually
lied. When you lied
wasn't
to,
me.
yeah, when she lied to you, she looked away last time. Remember?
Why would I lie? I'm such a bad liar, and I don't want to lose this point for my team.
I think it's tsunami.
Ooh. Why?
See? Look at us out.
Wait.
Yeah, you smiled.
5 seconds.
Which one are we choosing?
I don't know. I'm
5,
supposed to know.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Eliana.
Yes, that was my story.
I knew it was safe.
What?
She looked to the right and looked to the left. She does that when she lies.
Actually, like, I think I was 6 or 7. Like, 6, 7. But I was biking, my dad was really close behind me, and my bike wheel got caught in these train tracks, and I fell over. And then my dad wasn't looking and was on his phone, and he ran over my stomach with his bike.
I was texting and I was like, oh, okay. Drum, boom.
Oh my
Full
God.
on ran over her, full speed. Don't text your bike or you might run over your daughter.
Listen, I got that, and you guys have to listen to me for the next one.
Remember, there's 5 questions. You have to get 3 of them right. This is the next story. I shaved some of my hair and blamed it on my friend.
What? How do you even?
You shaved some like on the top of
I'm
your
looking
head.
to see if anyone has a shaved head.
What? This could have been like 5 years ago.
Wait, 5 years ago?
I said it could have been.
And you're like really defending yourself right now.
What? No, now you're reaching.
I don't know. Salish is being really quiet, but so is Eliana.
Because last time when I laughed, you guys thought it was me, and I don't want to play that same trick again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tsunami!
It wasn't me.
It was me!
I told you!
Bro, I can't. Oh my.
No way! I told you! Look, quiet. I knew you were lying.
I lived in New York, and I think I was like 10, and one day I was sitting and I was looking at my mirror and I was like, I want to cut a piece of my hair. So I went like this and I cut this piece of my hair right there, and then it looked really bad, so I was like, let me just shave it. So then I just shaved this piece. My mom was like, Salish, did you cut a piece of your hair? And I was like, no, and then like a month later I just blamed it on Needle and said that he cut my hair.
I want you all to take a look at this. This is gonna go in your faces if you don't get the next 3 in a row right.
Bro, the first 2 were Salish. Is that even fair?
Yeah, that's not even fair at all.
I told you it could be anybody at any time.
Ready for the next story?
Yeah.
Now,
guess so.
really think about this one. Really think.
Because if you don't get it right, pie's in your face and you lose a point. And not only that, but the girls will be one step closer to getting their dream sleepover and $1,000 to spend on it.
And think of their social media. That's a hint. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Yeah! My favorite place to go with my best friend is Universal.
Oh.
It's not Salish because it's Santa Monica with Nidal.
Yeah, it's Tsunami.
Didn't you just
5
post videos with
seconds.
Brody and Universal? Didn't you just do videos with Brody and Universal?
5,
Brody's not my best friend.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Tsunami!
Yes, it was me.
This is the next story. I started a math test before the teacher had taken our phone, and I got yelled at in front of everyone.
That could really apply to any of us.
Giggle, but like,
No,
that literally applies to any.
My grade in math right now is a 37.
No, guys.
Wait, hold on. Maybe it is Salish.
Eliana has not been picked for anything. Process of elimination leads me to believe it's probably her.
You look scared.
No, I'm feeling great.
I'm just gonna be for real with you guys. I feel bad it was me.
No, you don't feel bad. You would never want to be
Five,
Or am I just saying that so you don't pick me?
3, 2, 1.
Eliana! Wait, what is... Yes!
This might be the comeback of the century, girls. This is going in your face.
Get a
If
good
they
look.
get this next one right, somebody's getting pied after this next story.
This is the last story. Everything is on the line.
No, you're getting fired.
Okay, ready for the story?
This is exciting.
I went on a first date with a boy, and we didn't talk for the first 3 hours. It was the most awkward thing ever.
Let's think logically.
Okay.
I mean, this seems like a Salish story to happen.
Hey, it's not me.
You are being pretty quiet.
I've never been on a date before.
Okay, wait. That can't
Well,
be true.
I haven't.
Ever?
Ever.
In my whole life.
Wait, you literally admitted on Jolie Live that you were dating Kato.
You were dating Kato.
Okay, well after that, I decided that I didn't want to date anymore.
But why did you lie?
Because I haven't been on a date since then.
Salish is just making stuff up, which is probably a strategy to trick the boys.
Wait, no, this can't be right because
No,
I don't think it could be Kato because Kato loves to talk. Eliana, tell me about Jensen.
That's the only person I've ever dated.
Okay, how was your first date?
Well, we actually went to see a movie.
You don't talk in a movie.
That would be
Yeah, you don't talk in a movie.
Five,
It's gotta be here. It's gotta be here. It's gotta be here.
3, 2,
We got you.
1.
Eliana.
Yes?
You guys picked Eliana. If you're wrong, you get pied and they get a point. But if you're right, you get a point and you get to pie them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whoever went on that awkward date, please stand up.
It was
do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just talk.
Wait.
I wasn't ready.
Now that you're losing and you might end up losing this thing, I want to show you something. So keep the whipped cream on, but come with me. Follow me. Come around this way. Come over here.
What?
Guys, you're losing. The girls are going to get that beautiful sleepover space, and this is going to be yours.
What is this? Sleeping on the floor?
Have fun sleeping here.
Oh my gosh!
No, but not this time. No. Yeah, this isn't fun anymore. Yeah.
Next time, guys. Next time.
The next challenge is prank calling. Now, we all know sleepovers, a lot of times you're doing prank calls. So each of them is going to have to call one person, and all they can say to that person is yes or no. And whoever gets their person to stay on the phone the longest wins this round for their team. 1, 2, 3, dial. Every player gets 2 chances to get somebody to answer. If nobody answers the second time, they're eliminated.
Bro, Nidal is on Do Not Disturb. He's not answering. Nidal!
Yes.
Yeah. No.
They're only allowed to say yes or no. If they say any other word, they are out. He didn't answer. One more time.
No, bro, he didn't answer. He's on Do Not Disturb.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No, he's not answering. He's on Do Not Disturb. I actually hate you, bro.
Now that Salish is out, the girls really need to focus if they want to win this point.
No. Actually, I'm never answering you again, and I'm never seeing you again because you just made me lose this point.
Yeah? I just muted. I'm trying to use my hands to communicate with him, but he is not understanding. I need him to stay on the phone.
Nobody on these calls knows what's going on right now, and if their person hangs up, they're done.
Bro, I swear Nidal's starting a new thing of like a no phone journey because what are you doing? Like, get on your phone!
Yes.
No, yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Love you. Talk to you later.
No. He hung up. My own mom hung up on me.
Nidal didn't answer because he's on his phone.
Ooh, loser.
He's on Do Not Disturb, loser.
Yeah?
Do you love me?
Yes.
You love me, but you don't want to go on a date.
No, not really.
Eliana said no, not really, so she is eliminated. You can hang up on Jensen. At this point, everyone they called is getting suspicious, and if they hang up, they're eliminated.
Can't you talk?
No.
Sue, can I see?
Yeah?
Hi. Oh.
Oh no! No!
Salish, dude.
Salish lost it with one word.
No!
Yeah!
Salish, bro! Salish, why would you do that? You've got to be kidding me.
That was as Salish gets. If you want to know a Salish moment, that was a Salish moment. Just wait until you see what both of these teams are willing to do to win the dream room. The next challenge is don't wake dad. Now, like you know, if you're at a sleepover, you're not allowed to wake the parents, so you got to be very, very quiet. So today, I'm dad, and I'm gonna have this ball and this blindfold, and I'm throwing this at you if you make any noise. The last person standing wins this round for their team. You'll notice they have bells around their neck and rubber chickens on their feet, so I will be able to hear them. 3, 2, 1, go. Did I hit someone? Instead of just hiding and trying not to get hit, it seems like the boys just want. How did this become a me thing? I can't see anyone, but every time someone moves, their bells rattle, and that's where I throw. Did I hit someone?
No.
Sue, come. Oh, yeah.
Jordan, to your left. No! Seriously?
I can hear Salish somewhere around me, but everyone's bells are so loud that I'm just gonna send it. So what happened? The boys won this round?
I was hiding behind Gio and you hit me.
How did I hit you if you're hiding behind Gio? 3-2 boys. Let's go to the next location. As you know, if you do a sleepover nowadays, you gotta go to the mall. So for this final challenge, we are at the Grove in LA, and we're gonna play a game of Would You Rather. This is gonna be sick. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's go. I asked Instagram and they gave us a ton of Would You Rathers. Sean and Eliana, you guys are going first. I'm gonna give you 2 options. Whoever hits the red button gets to choose which option they want to do. The other person has to do the other thing. Would you rather approach 3 strangers and ask them out with a bad pickup line, or ask 3 strangers if they want a selfie with you?
Are you?
Okay, I don't want to ask guys for pickup lines because I have a boyfriend.
Okay, so you have to ask strangers if they want a selfie with you, and you have to ask.
I have a boyfriend. I'm sorry. I'm not doing that.
Eliana is gonna go first, and she has to go up to 3 people and ask random strangers if they want a selfie with her. Sean gets to pick who you do.
What?
Okay?
That's not fair.
Come on.
No.
Go right here. The lady with the plaid dress, right there, right there.
Excuse me, would you like to take a picture with me?
Oh no, thank you.
Please? Please.
You've gotta be kidding me.
Let's keep on going. I like this.
Excuse me, would you like to take a picture with me? Let's take a selfie, why not?
There's no way. They're actually taking a picture.
Thank you, have a good
Oh, are you
day.
serious? Okay.
The boys are up by 1 point, but if Eliana completes this challenge, the girls will tie it up and be 1 step closer to the dream room and $1,000.
Her right there, her right there, her right there, her right there, her right there.
Excuse me. Hi, can I take a picture with you?
Oh, sure. How's your day going?
Wow.
She beat
That's actually unfair. No, I have to find one. Right over there, those 2 guys. Let's go.
Excuse me, would you guys like to take a picture with me?
I'm making a new rule. You have to get the photo with the next person he suggests. If they say no, you lose this round.
No, that's not fair.
It is fair.
Oh,
It's fair.
okay. No, not there. Right here.
Excuse me, would you guys like to take a picture with me? Yes. Yes!
Oh, she did it! Let's go! Girls get a point. It's all tied up. Now Sean has to go up to 3 different people with a random pickup line. But here's the twist. The girls get to give you any pickup line, and you got to do it 3 different times. Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna walk up and you're gonna be like, are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
No, I can do that.
White dress.
Yes.
That is somebody's mother. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Hi. How are you? Are you guys having a great day? So, are you from Tennessee? Cause like, you're low-key the only 10 I see. What's your number?
She doesn't speak English though.
No?
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Have a great day, thank you.
Hey, that's okay. That's okay.
Oh, it's
great. You did great.
It's okay.
The woman with curly hair, she's gorgeous. You're gonna say,
Are you from heaven because I fell for you?
Hey, how are you? You look very beautiful. Are you from heaven? Because I fell for you. Yeah.
Actually from Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas? Well, you look like you're from heaven. You look like an angel.
no.
See?
I think it's time to make this challenge a little harder for Sean. You have to get the next person's Instagram. Huh?
All right, Sean, just do it to the next woman you see.
Wait, guys, pink hair.
You're gonna say, you know what to say.
Hello. Bro, what's the line? Oh my God. I lost my number. Can I low-key have yours or your Instagram?
No,
No. Oh my gosh, Sean, it's okay.
It's okay, don't feel bad, it's all right.
That was brutal. I'm sorry, Sean. Come here. Let's all give Sean a hug or something. Like, Sean needs a group hug. You didn't get that point, so it's now tied up. Moving on to the next round. Angelo, Tsunami, would you rather publicly cheerlead in front of Sephora for Sincerely Yours or sing opera in public? Go.
Sing opera in public, right up my alley.
Wait, what?
Oh no.
I have to cheerlead?
You haven't seen your costume yet.
There's a costume!
Here we go.
What is this? No!
Let's go, let's get it on, come on!
Oh my god! Freaking skirt, why am I putting over my head?
Oh, a tiara!
A tiara! What is this?
This is bad.
Yeah.
We're number one. You're gonna have to do a cheer for Sincerely Yours, and you cannot stop cheering until you get one person to agree to go in and buy it. So you might be here all night.
I got this!
Angela! Angela! Angela!
Angela!
Ladies and gentlemen, Sincerely Yours is here! XOXO, read it clear, Sincerely Yours is truly here! If you want perfect skin, put on Sincerely Yours! XOXO for the win, Sincerely Yours for the win! XOXO, read it clear, Sincerely Yours is truly here! Excuse me, could you please go buy something from Sincerely Yours? You look like you want it. All right, let's go! Woo-hoo, let's go! Woo-hoo!
It happened!
She's going inside right now to buy it.
That was so fast!
XOXO, read it clear, Sincerely Yours is truly here! XOXO, read it clear, Sincerely Yours is truly here! XOXO, read it clear! Wait, come! Oh my gosh, guys! Yes! Yes! Wait! Yes! Sincerely Yours now has lip balm too! Gotta try it! Woo! You're the best! Absolutely.
In 30 seconds, he did a cheer and got the first person he asked to go by Sincerely Yours. The guys just got that point.
Yeah, dude, fan-freaking-tastic. I'm so proud of you.
You actually did so good. It was awesome.
That was hard.
What did you buy?
I buy
The mist? Okay, I want to refund you for the mist, okay? So I'm going to pay you for that mist right now, so you don't have to pay it. But way to go, that's super cool. Okay, it is now 4-3. The boys are in the lead. Tsunami, you need this.
So I just have to sing opera and that's it?
There's a twist.
Wait.
Are you a singer?
I am a singer, but I don't sing opera.
Oh, well, you're about to.
This is my first time. No, those are the warm-ups. It's like,
You don't just have to sing opera. You have to sing opera until you can get somebody to sing along with you.
Jordan, my heart's racing. My heart's actually racing.
Do you want to quit?
No!
You know, Tsunami is a performer, and I'm concerned that maybe, it's hard for you if there's nobody here. So, hey, everybody, opera performance right now at the Grove. Opera performance. There's an opera singer here, a professional. Ladies and gentlemen, Tsunami! She's fresh from New York, where she's been performing opera for the last 6 months.
At the Lincoln Center. You're literally not helping, Ellie.
You've got a huge crowd. Do we see this crowd? And the opera starts in 3, 2, 1. Go, Tsunami. If anybody would like to sing with her. That was actually impressive. Viana just sang with Tsunami, so that means girls win a point.
Good job. You did so good.
It is tied going into the final round. This is super exciting. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Gio versus Salish for the final round. Would you rather go to a movie using a huge movie ticket and try to get...
I'll do that one.
Okay, the other option is that you have to go do a public promposal to somebody in the mall.
No.
Oh.
Anybody?
Anybody in the mall? Good luck. Now remember, Gio, if you successfully complete your promposal to somebody in the mall and the girls don't complete their challenge, you guys win and you get the main room. If you do not, the girls win and they get the main room. All right?
God, I have to cheerlead. You can do this.
I'm gonna ask somebody.
Do it!
It's easy.
Courage!
Are you ready? I forgot to tell you one little bit of information about this challenge. The girls are gonna write your promposal sign.
Oh, heck yeah. That's right.
Let's do it.
Look up the cringiest pickup line ever.
Are we including me on it, or?
Oh, no, this doesn't involve you, sorry.
It kind of does, actually.
Oh, that's so cute. That's gonna be okay. Okay, let's just make it bad. Okay.
What?
No, Gio, turn away.
Oh. This is cheesy.
Your face is getting red. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Bro, if I was a girl and someone did that to me, I would be like, absolutely not.
What?
Like, no, come on, let's go, Gio, let's go. Come on.
Hey, it wasn't me, man.
I know this is cheesy, but would you go to the prom with me? Yeah, dude, that's bad. Gio, this is your sign. You have to go up to somebody, anybody in this mall, and ask them out to prom. Now, here's the twist. They have to accept.
Oh.
Or listen, obviously, like everybody else, you don't have to do this. You can lose the point.
I'm not losing.
It's tied up right now. If you lose the point and Salish gets her point, they win. You can pick anybody you want. You don't have to listen to who they tell you to ask. Okay?
Oh, you guys are done for.
That girl, literally all the girls right here are gorgeous. And they seem your age. Like, just go right now. Like, just go. Let's go. Just come on, Gio.
Oh, this is awkward.
Okay,
this
come
is
on,
so
come on, come on.
awkward.
It's a little scary.
Like, all these girls. Where are we going? Gio, what's happening?
I don't know.
Gio, what are you doing?
What is this method?
Well, hold on. I'm thinking. Did you say anybody?
You can ask anybody in this mall, but they have to say yes for you to win this point.
Come on.
So. Anybody, right?
Oh, Gio, why are you on one knee? You gotta ask somebody here.
I am asking somebody here.
Oh, Gio.
I know this is a cheesy, but would you?
Yeah, I know what it says. I wrote it.
Would you? Please give me the point.
Gio.
Please.
Wait, no, think about this. Do not give me the point.
Give her Rit's face. Puppy eyes. Puppy eyes.
Okay, I made my decision. I made my decision. Okay, guys, ready?
Okay, yes.
I would say yes, but like, I don't want to give you the point. Yes, Gio, I will go to prom.
What?
Oh my God!
Why? I feel bad. He's one of my good friends. Like, that's so embarrassing. I wouldn't want to go to everyone.
I thought we were more important.
Thank you. That's sweet. Thank you.
No. You know what? No.
Salish, if you fail the final challenge, they win and they get the money and the sleepover. Are you ready, Salish? You got to do your last challenge.
Yeah,
let's go. Here we go. Salish, this is an actual movie ticket. We bought this ticket for the show that's happening right now inside that theater. If you're able to get scanned through and go watch the movie, you win a point and then it's all tied up. If you don't get through, they win the challenge overall. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Nothing embarrassing about this.
All right, let's go. Oh no.
Yeah, this is embarrassing. I don't think you should do it.
It's okay. How about you guys keep your opinions to yourself?
Can you shh? Nobody cares.
Oh my God.
It's gonna work.
Fidget, I will help Fidget.
No, I got it.
There's no way it's not gonna work. It's a normal ticket, just maybe a little bit bigger.
Completely valid. You got it.
Absolutely not.
Exactly what she said.
I literally gave you guys a free point. Don't even hate. Hi. Is this where I scan my ticket? Okay, it's kind of big.
She's scanning it.
It worked? Oh, thank you.
No. It worked. What? No.
It worked! In your face!
That's how it's done.
On the channel, we have made 3 boys versus girls videos. The first one, the boys won. The second one, the girls won. And now, for the third time, it has ended in a tie. So you have 2 choices. Either we could do a sudden death challenge, or you guys could agree to split the space for the sleepover and the money and spend it right now. What do you want to do?
Split.
Wait, you all decided?
Yeah, let's go. Now.
Let's go. Sleepover! All right.
That was an easy Why did we even have a competition?
Good night, girls.
Good night, boys.
There wasn't a bed for me, too? Like, we have 6 beds. We couldn't just get a 7th one?
We're sleeping.
I just like something comfortable to sleep on. Also, it's like so bright in here. I can't sleep. I'm a little afraid of the dark.
Dad.
Today, my daughter Salish and 5 of her friends are competing to see who makes better parents, boys or girls. And both teams are going to be in way over their heads.
How old were you when you went on your first date? Have you ever been rejected by a boy?
First round, baby crawl. Each team has 5 minutes to get to know this baby, and whichever team this baby crawls to first wins this round.
Come here.
This way. This way.
She's not going to either of them.
I'm moving though. She's going. Come here. Come here. No, come here. No. Come here. Come here. No. Don't go to them. Do not go to them. Come here. No, come here.
The girls just won the first challenge, but this is by far the easiest challenge the teams will face.
Oh, she doesn't like you.
We're doing this video because Salish is convinced that girls make better parents overall than boys. And obviously she's excited just to hang out with a cute baby.
Get lost. This is our time now.
Bro, what? She literally bonded with me.
Both sides are so confident in their parenting skills that they're coming up with some insane consequences for the losing team.
Like, how about you guys eat baby food if you lose?
We're not eating baby food.
We're gonna win anyway, so we're not gonna have to eat the baby food.
How about if we win, you have to put your baby pictures on a billboard in LA?
In LA?
We're gonna win anyway.
Yeah, true.
Deal. The teams have decided that the consequence is going to be a billboard with their most embarrassing baby photo in LA, right? But here's the thing. You also have to put your grown-up version of photo there next to it. And trust me, you're definitely gonna wanna see that. Next round, each team has 30 seconds to nominate one person, and the topic is happiness.
Happiness?
Yeah, go.
Oh, definitely not me.
Easy, right here. That's you.
Okay.
That's you, dog.
All right,
That's you.
all right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's nominated?
Salish.
I am.
All right.
Wait,
The two of you move forward. To be a good parent, you have to be able to make your kid laugh.
I'm literally gonna win, and you're gonna have the most embarrassing picture of you. There's not even a 1% chance that we don't win.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna keep talking.
You are gonna keep talking because you never stop.
Get off of my line!
I'm getting off the line.
No, get off of my line!
This is Phoenix, and whichever one of them can get her to smile first wins this round. Like that. I'm like a great dad, like really, really good dad. I'm gonna put Phoenix down, and they each get a turn one after the other. Whoever makes her laugh first wins this round.
Big faces, big faces. There you go. Got your attention.
And time is up. Gio's turn.
Gio. Okay, Gio. Come on, Gio. Lock in, Gio. Lock in. She's on the verge. I see it in her face.
Easy. Be like, wave your arms.
Seriously?
What?
You're just going.
She's literally looking at me.
Gio, lock in. Please lock in.
Gio, time's up. Salish, your turn.
What do I do?
If they think making a baby smile is tough, just wait until they face off in some of the hardest parenting challenges ever. Oh, Salish's turn, and she's actually doing it that way.
Oh my god.
I totally would have won if I knew I could pick her up. It's not even fair. She started touching the baby.
Guys, you have to use your mind if you're gonna be a parent. Hello.
The girls are proving their parenting skills, but we're just getting started. This round is multitasking. As a parent, you have to be able to do a lot of different things at once. And before I explain the challenge, each team needs to nominate their next player. You know what? Just watching them nominate makes me realize why girls are probably better parents overall. Okay, so
This is rigged.
whichever one of you can build your stroller and get across the finish line first wins this round. But there's a twist. You each get a toddler. I just want to reiterate, as a man, I'm personally embarrassed by how badly you're getting your butts kicked so far.
You know what? We chose the right candidate for this. We chose the right candidate.
Let's see. They've got their toddlers and they've got to build these strollers. Good luck.
Go, 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 go. Wait. No.
And it looks like the boys are already off to a rough start. Once a kid starts moving, they never stop. That's why this round is multitasking.
Good job.
Go Sam!
Come on.
Pull it all the way out, all the way out, all the way out.
Rip it open. Rip it open.
Want to help me? Come on.
Wow.
Oh my God, no, you got this.
No. They don't know what they're doing. You know why? Because here are the directions. When you're a parent, you don't have time to read directions.
No. Okay.
Oh, there she goes.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna add this, okay?
Come. We're gonna go build a stroller. We're gonna go build a stroller. We're gonna go build a stroller.
Yes! Yes!
Oh my gosh, it looks like the boys are in the lead.
Let's go! Wait, no, over there, wait.
Oh, she went over there.
See that?
Wait, she's on our side. She can't be on our side.
What do I do? No. Please, please, Sean, please.
Come on.
Tsunami, you just lost your kid.
Tsunami, our kid.
That's mine?
You know, when you're a parent, you have to be able to put together a stroller very quickly because you just don't have time. This is real parenting skills right here, and both of them are struggling.
Oh my God.
Wait, that one's his kid. You guys mixed it up.
I told you she was with me.
Okay, I think they might have just switched out kids, but they're twins. It happens when you're a parent.
Come on, Tsunami, come on.
What did it? Come on.
Tsunami, go quick.
Attach those.
Yes! 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 Come on!
Yes.
Wait, I don't understand where the cup holder goes. Come over here. Oh God.
Boys, you're losing your girl.
Leave it. Go. Get her.
You okay? Come over here with me.
The girls are about to win again. This is crazy.
Shove her in.
Bye, everybody.
You gotta be kidding me. The girls won again? What? The score is now 3-0. Things are really not looking good for the boys.
All I'm picking up from this is you guys would be terrible dads.
Yeah.
Honestly, like, what are you guys doing? We're 3-0 and you guys still can't do anything?
I haven't gone yet. Let me prove myself as a parent.
No, it's okay. You guys are gonna have a real fight.
Next, parents have to be really good teachers. So Ledger and Eliana, step forward.
Oh yeah.
Eliana, come on. You got this.
Guys, where's the support? I mean, he's getting all this like kumbaya and I
That's because they know that I'm gonna win.
Okay.
I'm a better teacher. I'm literally a dance teacher. Are you kidding me? What do you
I'm a
teach?
gymnastics coach.
Can you do a standing back tuck?
Yeah, I can. Can you do a
So
standing
can I?
back tuck?
You're each gonna teach a subject to a kid. Whoever wins the standing back tuck challenge gets to pick which skill they teach. I'm gonna be the judge. Okay, ready? Oh! It was close, but Ledger crossed the line, which means Eliana wins and gets the advantage. I'm gonna mention the 2 subjects you're gonna teach, and then you get to pick which one you want. Okay, Eliana, by the way, what is it that you do for a living?
Gymnastics coach.
Interesting. So number 1 is teaching your kid to do gymnastics. Okay, so that could have been you, but you lost. Too bad, you went over the line.
That's so sad.
Number 2, teaching your kid to ride a bike.
Eliana, come on. He literally teaches gymnastics. Why wouldn't you teach gymnastics? It's only like a handstand.
I would like to choose gymnastics.
Okay. So you have to teach the bike, okay?
Okay, whatever.
So boys teach bike, Eliana, and the girls, you are teaching gymnastics. By the way, the kid doesn't know how to ride a bike. And your kid has never done gymnastics. You gotta teach her how to do gymnastics. I wanna remind you of something. What's the score so far?
It's 0-3.
Yeah, 0-3. Okay, so you might want to win this. Now, let's meet our judges. This is Matt and Rebecca, and they have a 6-month-old and a 4-year-old. They will be the parenting judges today because actually the teams are not being judged on whether or not the kid learns the skill, but on how they are teaching the skill. But they don't know that. You know how you guys always tease me about my outfit? Look who's copying me now. Stand up. Stand up. Are you kidding me? You're copying my style, literally. Now, I'm Matt Slade. Same guy. This is Chris, and he knows how to ride a bike with training wheels.
He does.
You're gonna have to teach him how to do it without them. And you got 10 minutes. This is Brooklyn. She's a beginning gymnast, but she doesn't know how to do a cartwheel on beam. Today, Eliana's gonna teach her, and you have 10 minutes to do it. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, first of all, high five. Let's do this. Okay, go. Just put your hands down first and kick.
You got it. Yes.
Stand up on the pedals. There you go. And I want you to push down real quick, just real forward.
Look, he's actually talking him through it.
Yeah, you got it.
Try to have your feet land in the same line, okay? So ready, let's go. Up. Back down.
Now I want you to take your feet here, and I want you to push forward slowly.
Okay, he seems very patient with him, which is really good when you have a kid.
Good job. You got it.
I like that he's down at the same level as him in eye level, so it makes him feel like he's a peer.
Oh, do you want me to show you? Ready, let's go into a bridge. And just kick as hard as you can.
Rebecca, they have made 0 progress.
What do you mean? She just did a bridge. She almost kicked over. Come on, just like kick with your hips.
Just kick and try to push. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. I'm gonna help you. Ready? And kick.
Eliana keeps trying a lot of different things. I don't know if she knows what skill she's going to teach.
I'm holding you the whole time, okay? You're not gonna fall, promise. Yep. Good job. I'm barely holding you, Chris. You got this.
But he's actually balancing. It doesn't look like he's holding him that much.
Hey, guys, give it up for Chris.
Honestly,
give me a round of applause. Look at that. Look at that.
His teaching method is actually really good. He's been staying calm the whole time.
Where we have Eliana over here, she needs help from the other person.
When you start, you want to have your foot like this and kick really big with that leg.
Yeah.
And then put one hand like this.
Hey, what is this? You can't be in there. Get out. Get out.
She's just demonstrating. Hey, I got
Are you serious? No, that's not fair. No, you're supposed to be teaching her. You're supposed to be teaching her.
It's a demonstration.
It's not a demonstration, it's cheating.
This is tough. I don't know who I'm gonna vote for.
Go, you got this. Let's go, Chris. We can do this. It doesn't matter if you win or lose.
It's not about winning or losing. I think that's important for a kid to hear.
Go, go, go. Yeah!
That was impressive.
The level of improvement is pretty high right now.
3, 2, 1, go.
She got it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You got this, Chris. Go. Chris.
She did a cartwheel on the beam. He rode a bike for the first time. This is gonna be hard to judge.
We're about to hear from our judges who won, but I just wanted to let you guys know it wasn't whether or not your kid learned the skill, it's how you taught the skill.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Both kids did amazing. Brooklyn did a cartwheel. Chris rode a bike for the first time. But as Jordan said, we were judging on parenting. And with the girls, there were a lot of voices coming at Brooklyn at the same time, which is not good for a toddler.
You can't. Yes. Use your hips. Use your hips.
The boys were very patient, and there was one voice teaching him.
The boys are the winners!
Yes! Oh my God! You guys, in your face! In your face! In your face! Hey, do you want me to teach your girl gymnastics or what?
The boys are confident now with their first point, but they'll never guess what's coming next.
Guys, it's only one more week until the new Sincerely Yours clay mask drops. So sign up for the waitlist on sincerely-yours.com so you can get it before it sells out.
Next round, the most important thing a parent needs to do is protect their kid. Each of you nominate one of you that will protect a kid. Go.
Tsunami, you're like the tallest.
Wait, you went
I think Salish.
Okay, fine. Fine.
I'm on a roll.
Yes.
He's on a roll. I'll do it for you guys. I'll do it for you guys.
Whoever's been selected for each team, step forward.
Bruh. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
it's
you know
fine,
what?
I'm gonna win, whatever.
No. We're gonna win. I don't know what you're talking about. We're on a streak here.
Streak? You
We beat you by a mile.
How is that a streak of losses, maybe?
Yeah, streak of 1.
Are you ready for the next challenge? Are you ready? You're gonna need to be ready. Are you ready?
What?
Okay, you'll see.
Look at your jeans.
Look at your pants.
Wait, turn, look at me.
Wait, Salish.
Yeah.
For this challenge, your daughter is Jordan.
Okay.
That's actually her name. Very cool name, by the way. If you ever want to name your daughter Jordan, son Jordan, best name out there.
Okay, Dad.
Okay. You have to protect Jordan for 1 minute. Before you do that, do you want me to like teach you, like maybe tell you how to protect your daughter? and all
You?
that? Yeah.
Telling me how to protect my daughter?
Yeah.
Bro, I need a much cooler dad.
Wait, I'm as cool.
Perfect.
Your job is to protect your daughter in 2 easy steps.
Okay.
All right? When he's coming, you go right at the knee.
Okay.
When he goes down, you reset right on the head.
Okay, can I practice really quick?
Sure. Just like that, but don't hit yourself. Do it 10 times as hard.
You have 1 minute to protect Jordan from Ledger.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now you gotta tap into that protective instinct, that maternal protective instinct. You know, like in Stranger Things, ready? Like this. Remember, like, don't touch my daughter.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Like that, right?
No, not quite.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ah!
2 hands, Salish. 2 hands.
You get my way!
He's getting to your daughter. He's getting to your daughter. Yes, get him. Knock it out. Yes,
Get me!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
You're supposed to protect me! My mother didn't protect me like she was supposed to.
I didn't mean to.
Okay. The boys got their second point.
Yeah! Let's go!
Generational comeback! The score is 3-2, but now it's Ledger's turn to protect his kid from Salish. This is a brand new iPhone 17, and this is Pierre, Ledger's kid. Salish, your job is to convince Pierre to keep this iPhone 17, and your job is to protect Pierre from iPhone addiction by convincing him not to accept the phone from Salish. Pierre knows he's not actually getting the phone, he's just making a decision based on whoever makes the best argument.
Imagine all the conversations that you can have with your friends. Right now, like, you might be missing out on half of the conversations that you could have with them because they all have phones. And then when you get to school, they're all gonna be talking about what they were talking about on the phone. You're gonna have no idea what they're talking about.
Okay, I don't actually believe most of this. I just want to win.
You can check the weather, you can play games. Do you like games?
No,
Do you like shopping?
No.
No? Okay, so then you can online shop, so then you don't have to go in store to get clothes. Suddenly, when you're bored, you can just go on your phone and you can watch a Netflix show, and then you don't have to, you can just sit in your bed and watch Netflix. Like, doesn't that sound fun? Do your parents ever make food for you and you don't like it? It's not your favorite kind of food?
Sometimes, sometimes not.
Yeah, well, you can DoorDash food on your phone.
You're gonna miss a lot of your life if you're stuck on your phone.
Or he's
scrolling on
gonna
your
see
screen all
more
day.
of his life if he can text his friends and know what's
But
happening in
wouldn't
their
you rather
conversation.
hang out with them in person?
Yeah, but you can't hang out with them in person if you can't make plans on your phone.
As a parent, my job is to help you with things based off of my past experiences.
And TikTok, you know, that's fun. You can scroll on TikTok.
Oh
if
yeah,
you
yeah, doom scrolling.
You know,
that
I've
sounds
actually
fun.
learned a lot from TikTok.
Really? Factual information.
No, I've learned a lot of the new trends.
I don't think Salish believes half of what she's saying, but she's making a pretty good case.
I've seen you on your phone today, and between scenes you're like, so why are you talking about how a phone is bad?
Based on my past experiences, I have
Your
to do
past
what's best for
experiences
him.
that you're not trying to change?
Oh, okay, okay.
And it's so important to have a phone. You can contact
It's not
your parents
important.
if you need
You
to.
can talk to your friends in
If you need
person.
to, you can contact your
You
parents.
have friends in
What
person.
if
They're not even talking to him anymore.
it's an emergency?
If it's an emergency, you ask somebody to use a phone.
Well, what if there's nobody
There's
around
people
you and
around
you
you
need
all
to,
the time.
like,
He doesn't need a phone. You can't tell my
Yes,
son
he
not to
does.
have
It's
a
literally
phone.
so much safer
That you're
to have a
here to
phone.
experience life.
Stop!
I'll take the phone.
Whoa! 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 I didn't see that coming. Wow!
Dude, I couldn't even protect my own son from technology. Like, what am I doing?
I didn't even believe half of what I said, and I still convinced him because my argument was so good.
I don't even have a phone. I just thought she had a better argument.
Yeah, don't get a phone until your mom is ready.
Salish won that round, but what's coming up next is much harder.
Have you ever had a crush that you've never told anyone about?
Next challenge, as a parent, you have to be strong. You carry a lot of stuff. You got a baby, you got a backpack, you got stuff. Each of you has 30 seconds to nominate the strongest person on your team. Go.
You are definitely the strongest.
No, my back is not good for
Wait, but
this.
I feel like Salish is in 2 challenges now. So
Yeah, I feel like we should switch shoes. Bro, I'm in heels. Look at my shoes. No,
Before we get into it, let me just show you
Give me,
something.
we need it.
All right, man. That's you have to get him in. We have to put him in.
I'm not strong at all. I'm not strong. I'm not strong. Oh my god!
All right, and time. If you've been nominated, step forward.
let's go, Tsunami. You got this. Knock him
We're like the
dead.
same height. I got this.
Wow! This is very simple because we are playing, as you know, first team to get 5 points wins. The girls have 4 points. That means if they win this is over, and girls are better parents. Each bag weighs 20 pounds. Whoever drops the bags first loses.
Oh, see that? Yeah, now we're flexing. Let's get
There you
it.
go.
Yeah.
Do the other one.
Hey, you got this. Easy.
Take it out.
Easy.
Oh my
Okay.
god, this is heavy.
It's getting heavier. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, hold it up. You got it. Oh my God. Yo, see, you see that there was dust shit on. Cold.
How you feeling?
Not good.
Are your arms starting to burn?
Yes.
Imagine if you've got a baby or maybe even twins.
This is 5 babies.
This is nothing. Why are you complaining?
You have a biological advantage.
Physically, boys are stronger.
Hey, that's a bad mindset. That's a bad mindset.
Yes!
Yes! Hold it up.
It got too heavy.
Oh my God.
Okay, don't show off. Okay, we get it. The boys won that round. They got a point. They're winning 4-3, so right now, if they win this round, you guys gotta do the billboard with your embarrassing baby pictures. Those are bad. I've seen them, they're not blurry. I can't wait to show the world. So for this challenge, to be a parent, you have to be honest with your kids. Each of you nominate whoever you think is gonna be most truthful.
Not me. Salish, why me?
Easy, I'm picking you. You.
Whoever's been nominated, step forward.
Let's go.
And I'm sure you all know who our guest star is, John the polygraph expert.
He's horrifying.
Good luck, you go first. It's right that way.
Like, he never smiles.
And the challenge is simple. This is Chloe, and she's gonna ask you 5 questions. And all you have to do is tell the truth. Just remember that both teams can see you, and millions of people are watching you right now. First question, Chloe, you know what to do.
Am I your favorite kid you've met today?
No, just say it.
Come on, lock in.
Maybe because I just met you, so I don't really have an idea of who you are.
That's true.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Wait, no!
Have you ever peed in the pool with anybody else in it?
Millions of people are watching. Remember that, Sean.
Yes.
Ew!
That's true.
But at least he's honest.
Everyone's done it. Everyone's done it.
He's honest.
Did you say everybody's done it?
No, they have not.
I was a lot younger.
How old were you when you peed in the pool?
14.
That's true.
What? That was like last year.
Someone get this man. This man's cuckoo crazy.
Hey, look, I had to tell the truth for you guys. We need this point, okay?
So you did a show on Darman with Kato.
Did he just mention Kato, Salish?
Oh my God.
Do you still talk to him?
Oh my. Yes, the classic question. No, I don't talk to him. We're both kind of doing our own things, honestly. So, we just went our separate ways. He's doing whatever he's doing, and I'm doing my own thing, honestly.
That's true.
Yeah, no hate. We just moved our separate ways, just by the way.
How old were you when you went on your first date?
I was 13. Yeah, and
With who?
no.
Do we know them?
People from my high school watched this video.
I think I was 12.
That's true.
Final question. I'm 12.
That's true.
Yes! Yes! Get me out of here. Good luck, Salish. You're getting the billboard. Ha! Oh! Yes! That's right!
We could win this right now. He didn't lie even once. Salish, bye.
This is the moment of truth, Salish. The whole competition is in your hands. If you lie even once, you'll lose the round and give the boys one last chance to prove once and for all who are the best parents, boys or girls.
Hi, Salish.
Hi.
Have you ever cheated in school?
Yes.
Bad girl, Salish.
That's true.
Wait, but we got it right.
Yeah, so good girl,
Let's
Salish.
go.
But okay, it was a long time ago. I don't recommend it. I definitely learned my lesson. And yeah, don't do it, okay?
Okay.
True.
Yeah.
Have you recently lied to your parents?
This might be it.
Yes.
True.
Oh, okay, can we hear more about that?
Please.
Chloe, do you have a follow-up question there?
About what?
That's not a yes or no question, so I don't have to answer.
True.
Oh, God, dude.
Who do you like better, Tsunami or Eliana?
Hey, this is gonna break up friendships right here.
I literally like them both equally.
That's true.
That's our girl.
That's our girl, yeah.
Have you ever been rejected by a boy?
Oh my God.
Well, what do you define as rejected?
You said you liked somebody and they didn't like you back.
Then no, because I've definitely liked people that don't like me back, but I never said anything, so no.
True.
That's right. That's right.
That's it, Salish. One more question, and if you don't lie, the girls are better parents than the boys.
I made a drawing for you. Do you like it?
Can I see?
Yeah.
Salish, lock in.
Am I a really good artist?
Be honest, Salish. Be honest.
It's not even her drawing, it's to trap Salish.
Yeah, I really like it.
No.
Bye.
I told you! In your face!
The comeback of the century!
Okay, so that means I lost, or we're all tied up. I don't want to be on a billboard.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Hey, you lied to a kid. How could you do that? What kind of parents?
It is a 4-4 tie. Next point wins, and the final round is a birthday party. Today is Chloe's birthday, and each team will throw her a birthday party.
For my birthday party, I'm hoping for food, activities, and of course, an awesome present.
I bought a ton of birthday party decorations, and each team has 5 minutes to pick up as much as they can. But here's the catch. Only one person from each team is allowed to collect them and bring them to their side.
Something that you need to grab is the Switch. All girls love a Nintendo Switch.
Get that Switch, give it to the birthday girl, she'll win us over. Exactly.
Chloe is going to decide which party she likes more, and that team wins the entire competition. 1, 2, 3, go! Both of them immediately go for the Switch, but it looks like Gio is going to win.
I got the Switch! Okay,
Get the beanbag, get the beanbag, get the beanbag.
Go!
Each team has 5 minutes to grab whatever they want and bring it to their side.
Yes! Get the beanbag!
Focus on snacks!
Get the cake, get the cake! Good job!
Popcorn!
They are going crazy. After the Nintendo Switch, all strategy went right out the window. They're literally just grabbing whatever they can get their hands on. Let's see if that pays off in the end.
Wait, no. Who are you? What do you do?
I'm the entertainment.
You're coming with me?
Oh, you're coming with me.
Oh, they're fighting over Ian.
Come on.
Yo, we're locked in, bro.
Eliana is getting the 1 from the giant 11 sign.
I don't know what these are, but I'm taking them anyway.
She also found the giant ball pit hidden in the back.
That's right. Get a table!
And stop! And now each team has 30 minutes to build their birthday party. Go!
I low-key feel like we got some good stuff. Like, we got this in the bag.
We got slide, bro. Literally, that's the best thing we could have gone.
Ball pit at the very bottom. Boom!
We have this speaker, and we have a Nintendo Switch. And we have a mystery inflatable. Does it get any better than that?
But Eliana, did you not get ball pit balls? No. Eliana, why didn't you get the ball pit balls?
Not that for me. We don't need him. No offense, you're useless. No, we need the balls.
No, we
Wait,
need it.
I have a request. Have a negotiation. Q, come here. Just for a second. Can you just skedaddle on over here, please?
Yeah, what's up?
We're really in need of something, so we are willing to give you our only entertainment for the balls.
We want Ian and the 1.
I took that. I don't want you to have that. Sing. Show them.
Happy birthday to you.
He's worth the 1, too. Give him the 1.
You know what? Fine. You can have your 1. That's right.
Ellie, we need to start setting up our ball pit balls.
Okay, we brought in a bunch of people to help them make the birthday parties as awesome as possible. And after both teams pushed themselves to throw the best birthday party ever for Chloe, now it's time for the birthday girl to judge each party and determine a winner. Boys first, let's go.
Chloe, well, happy birthday. Welcome to our birthday. Woo!
Thank you. It looks so good. I love
So
this.
first off, we have a beanbag.
Oh my God, it's so
filled with
cute.
beautiful stuffed animals.
I don't know, guys. It looks really messy to me in there.
Your bouncy castle.
Oh my God, this looks so fun.
And we have a special guest for you today.
Happy birthday to
Our cake is so much better.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
I am so glad that we traded Ian. This is embarrassing.
Yeah, I mean, his singing is really good, though.
His singing is really good.
We have one last surprise. The big surprise. A brand new Nintendo Switch.
Oh my God, I've always wanted one.
We're so happy.
Oh, I really wish I could have gotten the Switch. That would have made it so good.
Best birthday ever.
She said the best birthday ever. We won. We won.
Yes, I love this.
Guys, I don't think this looks good for us.
You got everything that you could, and we have perfect stuff. Guys, so you see how that they're not playing in the bouncy castle with her? Ours is gonna be so much better because we're gonna be with her.
This is an actual party. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Good luck, girls. She's already having fun.
Could we? Wait. Could I offer you a hat, please?
Yes, of course. Oh my God, this looks so fun. A ball pit?
No, we have this in the bag, dude.
Why don't you come? You're our queen. So this is your royal chair. Oh, so nice. And you have a nice little stuffed animal.
Oh my God.
So beautiful.
Just a chair?
Happy birthday!
Oh my God, and it's pink?
We made this cake just for you.
Oh my God.
And you have a soda.
Oh my God, my
we have a bigger cake.
Who cares if it's decorated?
You know what's better than a Nintendo Switch?
Oh my God!
Your very own VR set.
I thought she wanted the Switch.
I would just like to point out, we actually did all this ourselves. We did all by ourselves, no help.
As you can see, no help. Yeah, sure, Salish.
Please head on up to the slide.
Oh my God, what? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
Yeah! See, all of us can party. The boys didn't party with you, but we can all have fun.
I love this. Thank you.
All right, guys, I'll be right back.
Yeah, she kind of looks like she's having too much fun.
I brought popcorn. Here you go.
Popcorn?
Yeah!
Oh my God, I love this.
Oh, come on!
Oh gosh, it smells so good.
And after a full day of competitions, challenges, ups and downs, this birthday party is going to prove who are the best parents, boys or girls. And now it is time for Chloe to make her final decision and determine who won this competition. Have you made a decision, Chloe?
Yes.
Okay, who was a better parent, the boys or the girls?
I loved the boys. It was lots of fun. I loved the girls. They made their own cake and they actually played with me.
Chloe, I'm so happy that you enjoyed your time here with the boys and girls, but unfortunately, we only have space for one winner, and it's all in your hands now. Who was a better parent, the boys or the girls?
Duck.
Comment below if you want to see another boys versus girls challenge. Have a great day. Bye.
So guys, nice baby photos. Better luck next time.
Today, my daughter Salish and 5 of her friends are competing to see who's better, boys or girls. Things are gonna get really personal. Have you ever kissed any boy?
Are you dating anyone?
What? What'd you say?
Salish.
Today we are finally gonna find out who is better, boys or girls. First skill is teamwork. You'll have to work together to get out of the box. What are we doing here?
How are we supposed to get out of here?
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, guys, we just need to use our nails. I don't have nails.
I have an idea.
I'm gonna be watching everything they do inside their boxes on this monitor.
On 3, we're gonna take a deep.
Today, my daughter Salish tries to prove that kids are better than adults.
Behind us are ages 1 through 15. I'm captain of Team Kids.
I'm captain of Team Adults! Yeah!
I'm not losing to my kids.
Team Kids is cooked. They stand no chance. Team Unks for the win, bro.
Let's do this.
Both teams will compete in a series of summer camp challenges to determine who is better, kids or adults. There's no way this is happening. There's no way this is happening.
No.
The first team to win 5 challenges splits $5,000 and gets the Matter Cup!
Dad, nobody cares about the Matter Cup. It's cringe.
Yeah, well, it's got a bunch of money in it. The purpose of this competition is to find out once and for all who's better, kids or adults. And when we find out the adults are better, I'm taking home the Matter Cup one more time. First challenge, red light, green light. The first team to get all their players across the finish line wins a point. However, whoever is left on the field from the losing team is automatically eliminated. No. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh.
And if you're caught moving after the red light, you'll get sent back to the starting line.
That green light means one thing. Bring the boom.
I'm so locked in right now.
Oh, come on, let's go. We got this. Stop.
Guys, we gotta stick together as a team.
I'm not losing to kids.
Let's go. Now, go. Oh. Everybody stop.
You have got to be kidding me.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I don't want to mess this up.
Go.
Are you kidding?
Okay, guys, the baby's losing it. I guess I just have to make a break for it. It's okay. It's okay.
I gotta stay up. I can't let these kids win.
Oh. Go, 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 go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Stop.
Guys, don't move. Don't move.
Hey, do you want me to take them?
Yes, please.
Okay, okay.
To make sure the baby's not upset, Salish and Gio are allowed to move when they're holding him.
It's you now. Let's go.
than half of the kids' team is already across the line. We need to make a full-on sprint or we're not going to make it.
We still got a chance. We still got a chance.
Come on! Come on, Mama Justice!
You guys killed me. You're both eliminated now. You guys hear that sound? That's the sound of failure. The kids may have won the first challenge, but there's no way they're beating the adults in this next one.
Next challenge, tug of war.
Whichever team gets pulled through the cones loses and has to eliminate 5 team members.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
But I think we should do the Squid Game strategy. We anchor ourselves, right? We pull, then we let them pull, okay? Then we pull once they've fallen down.
We need a code word, code word.
Let's make our code word pickle, okay? At pickle, we stop pulling.
Are you gonna win this for us? I'm ready to win this! I don't believe you! I'm ready to win! Are you ready to win this? Let's go! AJ, you ready back there? Yeah! Team adults! You're going down, little girl.
Emma, I think you're going down. And then when you go down, you can't get up. Oh!
Both teams are giving it their all, but there are 2 kids on Salish's team that fought especially hard to be here. One of those kids is Teddy, who just asked Salish
How many likes to be in a video?
and after everything it took to get here, he's giving it all he's got.
Come on!
Go!
Let's go!
The adults are pretty strong, but when I call pickle and we all stop pulling, they're all gonna fall down on the ground and we're gonna win.
Pickle! Let's go!
Well, that didn't work.
Let's go! Okay, wait.
Go guys, go!
Yes!
Just when we think we're about to win, Big Justice is standing in our way.
Big Justice is strong. Keep pulling. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go!
I'm sorry guys, that plan sucked.
Hey man, you pulled your heart out. I am so proud of you, dude. You held it down, man. You were so strong, dude.
Hey, team, don't be sad. It's okay, guys. We're gonna win the next one. We won the first one. We're gonna win the next one.
Wait, we have to eliminate 5 people now.
We have to pick?
Since Team Kids lost, every player must vote for a teammate to eliminate. The 5 names drawn most from the Matter Cup are going home. And this won't be the last time the teams have to eliminate their own. I assume they'll vote out the youngest kids before the challenges get harder, but voting out your own teammates is never an easy decision. And remember, no matter who they vote out, if Team Kids wins, they all split the prize money.
All the votes are in. Now it's time to see who's getting eliminated.
One of the players at risk is Abby, another subscriber who earned her spot in this video by getting over 1 million likes in a month.
Okay, so number 1, obviously, I'm sorry, but the baby, he's getting eliminated. Next person is Abby.
We were so excited to have Abby compete, so seeing her leave this early was really tough.
Ashton. Teddy. Next one. No. Are you joking? No. Are you actually joking? Whoever voted for this person, I'm actually so mad at you.
Hope it's not me.
No. Jaden. Sorry.
No.
Jaden, we promise we'll win it for you. And guess what? Guess what? Whenever we win, we all get to split the money, and whoever wins will give you the trophy, okay? Yay! Can I have a double high five? Yay! Whoever voted for him. Oh.
Next challenge is a potato sack race, and whichever team loses has to do another elimination vote.
Bro, we're obviously gonna win. I mean, you jumping, you're gonna break a hip. Like, you're gonna be like, oh, ow, 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 guys,
Each team has 5 players. First team to reach the back of the end zone wins. Each team will have 1 minute to strategize.
Okay, Angela, we gotta be able to get in and out of the potato sack really quick, okay?
And we have to be able to jump very
Bro,
far.
we're literally fine. This doesn't even require speed, but you're gonna be good at it because you're really jumpy.
Yeah, we got that. We got that. We got
Look
that.
how
We
high
got
he
that.
can jump. It's
We
like
got
you're on a trampoline.
This challenge is tough, but what's coming next will push us even further.
When Angelo gets to you, he's gonna go like this. You get it off of him, okay? Gio! Okay. So what we're gonna do is Mariah's gonna get to you. She's gonna go like this, and you're gonna take the potato sack off of her, okay?
And you're gonna do the same thing
Yeah,
for
so
Haven.
you're basically-
Go tell Haven. We need to tell Haven.
Salish, you are so dusted right now.
I might be, but whatever. My team's gonna carry it.
Let's go, team adults!
Jordan, you better not let Salish win.
By the way, next challenge is that thing. It's sick. But right now, I'm about to beat my little girl in a potato sack race. Let's go, team adults! Go!
Not gonna lie, I've done pro boxing fights and this is more nerve-wracking.
Guys, if I can't be a 90-year-old in a sack race, then that's just embarrassing.
Oh, you want to see what 90 looks like? This way, little girl. I'll show you what 90 looks like.
And we need to win this round, especially because I want to win the money. We need to win this for Jaden.
Let's go, Jordan! Let's go!
Wow, Salish is much faster than I expected.
Go, 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 go! Go, Tupper, go!
Yes! What a smooth fall from Angelo, but Topper is right behind him.
Go, go, go!
We are in the lead, and now our 2 fastest players are up.
Oh my God, go! Marco, go!
Marco is struggling to get the sack on, and Team Adults is starting to lose the lead.
Go! No! No! Marco, go!
No! Marco just took a huge fall. He needs to get up fast. There's only 1 person left.
Let's go!
Go! No!
Team Kids, see ya!
Jaden, 1, 2, 3, Jaden!
How did that happen? Oh yeah? Yeah! Just wait until the next challenge, that's all I'm saying.
Good game. Oh,
Unfortunately, we somehow lost that, which means we now have to vote out 3 players and then both teams are even. Remember, everybody gets to split the pot if we win, so pick the people who you think will help us win the least. Nothing personal. We are all friends, so eliminations are really difficult. Look at Topper trying to hide it from everybody.
I feel so bad.
And now I know the crumpled one is Topper's. But we have to remove the weakest players because we cannot lose to Team Kids. There's 2 people that got enough votes to be eliminated. One of them is Jolie.
I voted for myself. You know what? I'm going to hang out with the kids.
Good work, Jolie. The next person that got several votes was Jake. Now Jake, wait. Jake and Jolie both voted for themselves, I believe, so that was awesome. Jolie and Jake wanted the strongest players to make it to the next challenge so they could win it all for Team Adults. And the third person eliminated is Jenny. I'm sorry. Let's give it up for Jenny.
Jenny, we're gonna win that cup for you, Jenny. Let's go.
Teams are even. We are down by 1 point. Moving on to the next challenge.
That was one of the toughest things we had to do all day. But the good news is everyone that started with our team is gonna get a piece of that cup, and we're winning that cup. Let's go.
Next challenge is 1v1 obstacle race, and it's going to be the 2 captains. Me versus my little girl Salish. This is a super long and challenging inflatable obstacle course. First one to make it all the way through wins. And the loser is eliminated.
What?
Either Salish or I am eliminated. One of us. Are we ready?
Yeah, let's go.
I need this.
Easy win! Easy win! Easy win! Dude, how am I gonna win this?
This is your dad. He's an old man. You got that.
I know, but I feel like he's gonna win because, like, look, there's a bunch of like X things. He can just like jump up those. I have to climb.
No. You got that. You got that.
You see the top of that slide? If he's there, just push him down. Yeah, you got him. Yeah, push him. Do it for Jaden.
The kids are suddenly playing with increased emotions because they want to win it all for Jaden. We are trying to match their energy, but they seem very inspired.
Bro, he's doing too much. Team Kids, bring Team adults bring the doom.
I'm actually kind of nervous. I can't lose to my kid again. I lose to her too much. Salish is a lot smaller than me. This is not going to be easy. I have the lead on Salish, but I need to keep up the momentum. Oh, you're going down, little girl. You're going down. No, Salish just passed me. Why? Oh, no. Salish, no. No.
Oh my gosh! I'm winning! He's so far behind!
How so far ahead? Where is she? Where is she? Oh my God, no!
I'm gonna win!
What the heck? There is no way. How did she just get so far ahead? I need to keep moving as quick as I can.
I'm gonna win!
There is no way I'm letting Salish win. I am not losing this round for team adults. Oh, ouch. I think I'm getting too old for this.
No!
Oh, she's so far ahead. The last obstacle is the warped wall, and my height is going to give me an advantage. This is my chance to overtake her. No! She already get over? No! She won. No! How? Salish eliminated me, but this game is far from over. I tried my best. I'll keep coaching you, but I can't participate anymore. Salish beat me fair and square.
You know what we got to do now? We got to turn this doom into a boom!
Guys, we are already up 3-1. We're doing so good, guys. All right, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Come on. Let's go. All right, teamwork. All right, guys. We gotta just remember, we're not done until we cross the finish line.
Don't act all cocky that we've won the first 3, 4, whatever. We gotta still stay locked.
Exactly. Stay locked.
Team Kid is basically gonna win. They are way stronger. Yeah, the game's right here.
He's right. Team Kid's got all the muscles.
Dude, winning challenges is so much fun. You know what's kind of better though?
What?
Like seeing these little kids like smile.
It's like when we win these challenges, we're not just winning it for ourselves, but we're winning it for these little kids, and they're so happy.
It's like being like an older brother.
So we're not gonna win this just for ourselves, but we're gonna win it for the kids.
Exactly.
Next challenge, dodgeball. You guys are gonna start behind the line. And after you hear the whistle, both teams can go grab the dodgeballs and try to hit the other team. Last team standing wins a point for their team. Guys, I need you. We're down 3-1. Let's go. And this game starts in 3, 2, 1. Tyler's out!
You're out, Tyler!
But Tyler wasn't the only adult out. We've already lost 2 of our players! And with that, the kids are already in the lead.
Keep the balls. Let them waste the balls.
AJ's out! Oh no!
Don't do! They only have 1! Get it!
Do not throw.
The kids are being very smart.
Do not throw. Guys, don't throw. Hold your fire.
Keeping the adults with only 1 ball in their hands.
Yo, come on. Come forward. Let's go.
God, I almost had one.
Let's go.
Oh, shoot.
Get the ball!
No, oh, yes! Yes! You're out!
Yeah!
No!
Good job, Gio.
Adults, be aggressive! Got him! Oh yes, here we go! Topper's taking over.
Ah! Come on, Topper. Dang, Topper, you're out!
No! I'm like, there's no way this is happening. We are losing.
I thought this was gonna be easy, man. They sniped us. The kids are kind of locked in.
How do we keep losing to these kids?
Yes! Let's go!
No!
Jaden, this is for you! Jaden!
There's only 2 adults left. Are you out? Is Brooke out?
Yeah! Come on!
These kids are vicious, man.
Guys, we all gotta get Angela's dad.
This is insane.
Dude, you gotta lock in right. Oh my God, it's 1 against 100. How did this happen?
All right, guys, let's start throwing them.
Let's go, Tony!
Just let them get rid of all their balls.
1!
Whoa!
Guys, Guys, we gotta try and catch him.
No, don't look at it. It's a distraction.
We need a ball.
Come on, Dad. Give me a ball. Give me a ball.
I need a ball too.
And with the kids wasting all their throws, Tony ended up with most of the dodgeballs on his side. So this is his moment to shine and go for an insane comeback.
Let's go, Tony!
Ah! Yes, you got one. Yes.
No!
No! Are you kidding me?
Yeah!
Wow! Gio caught that ball, which means the adult who threw it is out. And Team Kids just won this challenge.
Gio! And with assist of Big Justice.
Let's go! That was sick!
They won with that incredible catch by Gio.
Hey, replay that real quick. Replay that real quick. This is Kids! Call me.
Aw, you're so cute, Gio.
Wow, we just got cooked at dodgeball. Guys, we are down 4-1. It's 1st to 5. If they win one more, it's over, and kids have proven they're better than adults. Unacceptable. After each challenge, we've been eliminating people, so we have to eliminate again. This time, we need to eliminate 2 people. So, if you think that you are not going to be the best at helping us win 4 straight challenges, then please be ready to eliminate yourself. Otherwise, we're gonna have to do a whole vote. So will some person please step forward so we don't have to do that? I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. What?
No!
No way. All right, Topper has eliminated himself. That is shocking. Is there one more person that will eliminate themselves because you think that you won't help win the rest of the challenges?
I really believe in you guys.
I don't know if you're sports fans, but the Knicks had the greatest comebacks in history. We gotta beat the Knicks! Let's go Knicks! We gotta beat the Knicks! We gotta come back! We gotta win 4 in a row! Let's go! We gon' do this! Next challenge, Zorb balls. I'm pushing, Tyler, Salish is pushing, Gio. Whoever gets in the end zone first wins the point for their team. If you guys win, this
We win the whole thing. Come on, Gio, let's go! Let's go, Gio! Let's go!
Though I was eliminated, I was really pumped up. So both teams agreed I could be the one to try and keep Team Adults in the competition. Tyler, dude, if we don't win this, Jordan, I got you. We need this point. Don't worry.
Wait, Gio, lie down. Lie down. Gio, real talk. Put your hands here. You got it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna try my best.
We need to win this. Just do whatever I say. Talk.
Yeah!
No.
Wait, what? Oh, tough?
Hey guys, stop messing around. We're starting the challenge now.
Let's go.
Yes, yes, yes.
We were doing great until this happened. No! Oh my God! But luckily for us, we were not the only ones that tripped there.
Yes,
Go! Go, Jordan, go! Go, Jordan! Go! Go! And we finally won a challenge. So we're back in the game.
Bro, Gio, why did you fall?
I didn't mean to. You're pushing me too fast.
I'm sorry.
Next challenge, field goals.
Let's go, field goals. Let's bring it. Come on.
We got it.
Whichever team scores more field goals wins this point.
Well, you guys are gonna need to score some points because we are 4. Let's go! You guys are losing.
Let's go. These other guys to make it
Cut. This is getting out of control.
All right. Our 7 kickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. We're winning by so many points. We don't even have to win this point like we should, but like we are chilling.
Are we ready?
Yeah!
You can choose to kick it with somebody holding it on the ground, or you can just hold it, but this is what you're trying to do.
Oh.
It's too bad I got eliminated, right? Whichever team gets more field goals wins a point. If the kids win it, this thing is over.
Come on, guys, we got this. Let's do it. Let's go!
Guys, you know what you've got? Obviously, you don't have athleticism over them, or strength, or endurance. What you have is you can get in their minds, get in their head, taunt them. Kids, you go first. The fact that I'm calling this dude a kid is ridiculous.
I am literally a
Like,
kid.
how do they stack? Good luck.
Go, Ethan!
No!
Let's go, Ethan!
That's luck. I mean, he hit the bar and in. That's luck.
That was lucky. All right, here we go. Tyler, dude, no pressure.
I got you.
Come on, Tyler! This is not happening. This is not happening. Kids are up 1-0. Big Justice. Come here.
Big Justice!
You know I'm a fan, right? You know I respect you, appreciate you.
Yeah. Hey, don't listen to him!
There's a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure. This might be too intense for you.
Come on, Big Justice, come on! Let's do it! You're gonna get it!
Oh, good try!
Woo! That was close. Actually, nice try. Good try, good try. We needed that. We needed that. We needed that. AJ, you have a chance to tie it. Let's go, big guy.
Tie it up.
Let's boom.
I'm just gonna pretend I'm doing it for a double chunk chocolate cookie.
Let's go. Double chunk chocolate cookie.
Come on,
Here we go.
Oh! Yeah! Are you kidding me? Is he serious?
Why did I get eliminated?
I better stick to the ring.
Angelo.
What's up, old guy? How are ya?
All right, let's go.
Please, 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 please.
No!
Please. Not happening. Somebody's got to bring their game. This is not happening.
This is not good.
We gotta hold on, guys. We gotta hold on, guys.
Oh, Jaden, that trophy is gonna look so beautiful in your room. Don't worry, it's gonna look so good.
Guys, come here. Listen, they've got the whole Jaden thing. That's powerful. That's motivating them. What do we have? What do we have?
We have you.
For Jordan. For Jordan. I cannot lose to my daughter again.
Right now.
Me?
I got you.
All right, you come up here, Nick. Are you sure you want him holding it?
This one's for you.
Please, please, dude, get us close. Get us close.
Nick's gonna miss! Nick's gonna miss! Nick's gonna miss!
Please.
What now?
Yeah, we're back, baby! Yeah!
Jordan!
It was for me. Let's go. Let's go.
We're not out there, baby!
Come on over.
Let's go, Mariah! Pro soccer player!
You guys are up 2-1 here. You kick this, it's a big deal, but if you miss it, everyone's gonna be really mad at you.
No, they're not. It's fine.
Hopefully that little bit of trash talk was enough to get in her head. That's the only thing we have now.
Mariah, you got this. Just do your best.
You got it, you got it, you got it! I got this!
Good luck, Mariah. You got this.
I'm so much better.
What is happening right now? Marco, please, it is 3-1. You have got to hit this.
Let's go.
You got to hit it.
Marco's gonna miss! Marco's gonna miss!
Oh no! Oh no!
Yes, he's gonna miss.
21-year-old me! I don't even want to say anything. That was so bad.
Oh my gosh, we might lose this right now.
At least I don't have the worst kick now.
How did you do this? You're just a 41-year-old man and you're so old.
You know what, little kid? No video games when we get home.
Hey!
No video games!
It is 3-1. 2 players from each team remain. They have to miss both. We have to hit both to go to sudden death. Please, Gio, come over here and miss this kick.
Yeah, come on, come on.
You can do it!
Come on, we can do it! Yeah, come on, come on. Yeah, come on, Sarah.
If Gio makes this field goal, the kids win the entire competition. Salish wins the Mata Cup, and kids are better than adults. But if you miss it, we still have a chance. Good luck.
I'm so nervous right now. This is so much pressure.
Gio, don't be nervous.
Don't think about it, bro. We'll be fine.
Just score, bro.
My dad's a football coach. I can't miss this.
Oh my God, that's bad.
Just get your shoulders back, okay? Chin up. Be confident.
Okay.
Say right now, I got this.
I'm a little nervous, okay?
No, don't say that. Stomp your foot and say I got this.
I got this!
Good job.
Gio, you got this.
Let's go, Gio. Come on. Guys, be quiet.
You knew Gio was gonna do it for course. Thank you, Gio.
Here, come over here.
Let's go, Tony. Come on, Tony. Come on, Tony.
It comes down to this. If Tony misses, the kids win everything. Dude, please.
I hope Tony can pull this off.
He is our only hope.
He's all we got. Come on, Tony, bring
Come
the
on,
bow.
Tony, come on.
Boo, Dad! Boo, Dad! I'm not nervous.
Come on, Tony.
Maybe a little bit.
Come on, Tony. You got this. Do it for your family.
Don't even, they're not even there.
Come on, Tony.
I saved other challenges, but I guess not this one.
I have never been more scared.
It all comes down to Ashley.
Ashley!
If Ashley makes this, kids win everything. If she misses, the adults have one more chance to tie it up. Here you go, Ashley.
Be confident. Be confident.
Let's go, Ashley, focus.
Oh my gosh!
So close.
Ashley, it's okay. That was really good. It's okay, Ashley. That was a good first kick.
Whoa, whoa, we have one more chance to tie it up. This is crazy. What a comeback. Let's go.
We actually have a chance to win. We have a chance.
It's on Mama Justice now.
I got this.
What? What?
I got
I'm proud of everyone on this team.
We all thought when we started it was easy peasy, right? You absolutely got destroyed by a bunch of kids. Destroyed. They deserve the respect, but now I gotta listen to Salish. Team Salish, not a cop. But hey, I'm glad the kids won the money actually, so let's go. Well, the kids won. We gotta give it up for the kids, all right? We gotta give it up for the kids. Congratulations. Salish, I guess you get the medal.
Yeah, I know. Let's go!
This is for you, Jaden.
Congratulations. Thank you very much for the trophy. Let's go, Team Kid. Yeah!
This is my daughter Salish and her best friend Nadal. They want to be Valentines this year, but I am not ready for that. You think that she has a crush on him?
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I've designed 5 compatibility challenges, ending with Salish attempting to find Nadal blindfolded. If they complete everything successfully, they'll get 2 incredible Valentine's Day surprises. First round, trust. Let's do a trust fall.
I don't know, are you sure? Trust me?
Does you really think I'll let you fall?
Yes.
What? Okay, I probably would, but anyways.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Set.
Okay.
1, go.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
That one scared me.
That was good.
Magic.
Check.
Nadal moved to Texas a year ago, and despite the distance, their friendship is clearly just as strong as it was before he left. Next trust, yoga pose.
No.
Oh, no.
No.
Here, you guys scroll.
Wait.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, perfect.
Let's go.
Are they kissing?
Let's go. Yeah.
Whoa! They're about to do a kissing photo?
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
I am certain now I don't want them to be Valentine's. Okay, I'll take the photo, but if you guys kiss, I am going to flip out.
You get really close and then you just fall.
Okay.
What was that? What was that? Sandy, what did they say? Did you hear them in your headphones?
Wait, I'm good now. My feet are in the sand.
I gotta get there for the photo.
3, 2, 1.
No.
Whoa!
Dang it.
Oh my God!
Dang it.
Were you about to kiss and then you fell?
Yeah.
Look at that! Whoa!
That was not close enough.
Yeah, come on, let's do it again.
Suddenly she's a teenager, it's Valentine's Day, and they're about to kiss.
Oh, God.
3,
2, 1.
What happened?
It touched.
What happened? You fell into it?
Yeah, that's for sure.
I mean, it's not our first time.
True.
What did they just say? Whoa! I am definitely not okay with them being Valentine's. I'm gonna make this challenge even harder. Next trust challenge. Lead him blindfolded to go get ice cream.
Wait, what?
To go get ice cream needle.
Oh, okay.
Yay! I promise I won't let you crash, okay?
Beware, she gets bored and gets a little flaky.
Okay, next stair. I won't let you fall. Go. Go! Go. Go! Okay, one needle. Let's go. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I promise I won't let you fall. Come on, run.
No.
These challenges have started fun and easy, but later Salish will have to pick Nadal blindfolded in an emotional test of their friendship.
We're almost there. You won't crash into anything. Salish! I'm sorry. I promise. Oh no, there's a slide! We're almost there! Come on, no!
Am I gonna run into anything?
Stop him! Oh my God, stop him, Salish!
Stop!
Oh God!
This is more work than I thought. Okay, we're here. Let's do our handshake, Nita.
What? Can I get a vanilla ice cream in a cone?
Now you have to pay.
Where?
No.
Thank you.
Take it. Perfect. Okay, the tip is right there. Choose how much.
Okay, right here?
Yeah.
I think he just left a $100 tip.
Eat it. Tongue.
Okay. Now I eat ice cream.
Nita, what do you think the prize is?
I don't know.
Remember when we went to Kalahari, the water
was
park?
so fun.
And we went on iFly?
Disneyland too.
Disneyland? Oh, that was so fun.
I would love to go on a hot air balloon.
Ziplining?
I would love to do both of those, ziplining and hot air balloon.
That sounds fun.
That'd be so fun. No, that's not how that works.
I can't go.
You guys passed the trust round, but I'm still not ready for you to be Valentine.
Wait, why?
Well, because it's dating.
But you can be friends and be Valentine.
Yeah, you can be friends and be Valentines.
Are you sure?
Can you be friends and be Valentines?
No.
Dang it.
If you're Valentine's, you're automatically dating. Comment below, what do you think? Next challenge to be Valentine's is affection. Saying very nice things to each other. That's all you need to do.
You're really good at being ugly.
Oh, Salish, your hair is so horrible.
I love your pearly white. I mean your pearly yellow.
I love your black unibrow.
You have a thing right there.
It's cool.
That you shave.
It shouldn't be that hard for them because they've done it before.
She's pretty.
Thank you.
Oh, you remember how cute you guys were?
Your flips are really good. I'm happy when I see you. And sometimes I miss you.
Dating, so to prove it to me, go up to strangers and see if you can get a bunch of people to say friends can actually be Valentine.
Okay.
All right, go.
Excuse me. Do you think friends can be Valentines?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
No, isn't it a dating thing? It's a dating thing, right?
Do you think friends can be Valentines?
Yes, they can.
Thank you. Do you think friends can be Valentines?
Yes.
Thank you. Do you guys think that friends can be Valentines?
There we go. How many are no? No. That's 4 no's right there. Now we're tied.
Dang it.
Do you guys think that friends can be Valentines or Valentines means you're dating?
I don't think they're friends though.
Whoa.
They're like two legs, you know? Like they might be a couple. On the down low.
Okay, hold on. You know, that's my little girl over there.
Yeah.
You think that she has a crush on him?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You also, you think he has a crush on her?
Yeah.
They're 13. Do you think they're too young to date?
No. Not doing anything wrong. Yeah, they're not doing anything wrong for their age.
So you're like thumbs up on the Valentines and yeah, they have crushes on each other.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
We think that you guys have a crush on each other. You guys like are trying to hide it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
See the way you
It's okay if they keep passing all these rounds because the last challenge where Salish has to pick Nadal from a group of people blindfolded is going to be really, really hard. They have to have a really remarkable bond to be able to do that. If you guys want to be Valentines, you need to know how to compromise with each other.
Ew, I don't like that.
No.
You have to pick one item that you guys can order and share and eat together.
Ooh, steak.
Ew, no, I want the salad.
Mama's fried chicken.
Ooh, how about steamed broccoli? I love broccoli.
Baby back ribs.
I can't, I'm vegetarian.
Oh, this is driving me crazy. You're too much of a vegetarian to eat anything.
We have to compromise, we can do this. I think the best thing is a salad.
No tomato.
No, I
and
like
ranch.
tomato.
And ranch.
I hate ranch.
I'm compromising the salad. At least do my dressing.
Fine. Can you get the ranch on the side?
Okay, this has been really fun. They had a great time at the beach, but wait until you see these final 2 challenges.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you. Wait, no. Wait, okay, now we can eat.
What? That's the stuff.
Okay, that's yours.
Works for me.
We are now in a studio and it is time for the final 2 challenges. We have 5 friends of Salish in a room. They're each going to pretend to be Nadal. Salish has to pick Nadal in order to move to the final round. When each person talks,
their voice will sound like this, so Salish will have no idea who they are.
I might be a little loud because I'm wearing noise canceling
Person number 1.
Who is it? It's me. What do I do that bugs you the most? Do cartwheels around me? Okay, that is definitely not Needle. Tell me something you really like about me. You're cute. Needle would never say that. I'm cute. He would say I'm ugly. Who's my current celebrity crush? Mr. Beast. He's like 25. No, I can't tell if this is Needle. He's not saying the right answer, but like maybe it is, and he's trying to throw me off. I don't know. Have I ever kissed someone? Yeah, Needle. Wait. Wait, so it's not you because you said yeah, Needle. This is not Needle. Okay, next person.
Oh my gosh. You said Needle. You should have said me. It would have made it more believable. Oh my god.
This is actually really sweet.
Is pineapple on pizza acceptable? Yeah, I think it's acceptable. Ew, no, it's not acceptable. What's my favorite food? You're vegetarian. Some vegetarian soup? Yeah, actually, okay. Who's taller, me or you? Me. Dang it, that is 100% Needle. Okay, no. Do I rely on my friends emotionally? You're kind of a crybaby, so yeah. Oh my god, I hate you so much. This is definitely Needle. Bye, next person.
I can't believe I just fooled her. Let's go.
I think number 2 was Needle because he got some of the questions right. I'm gonna be so embarrassed if that wasn't Needle.
This is Nidal's sister Gigi. She knows Salish really, really well. She might be able to throw her off.
Okay, number 3, go ahead. Needle. What? Have you ever had a crush? Obviously, like Addison Rae, Madison Beer. Okay, I know this is Needle. Okay, I don't even need to know. Ask any questions. This.
I'm suddenly rooting for her to pick Nidal.
What level am I in gymnastics? You're level 6. What's my favorite event? Well, I know you're really bad at like beam. I won first on beam a couple days ago. Everyone else has been really bad then. They were really good, so maybe. Sure they were. Okay, never mind. The second one was not Needle.
She's talking to her like she's Nidal.
What do you appreciate most about me? Nothing. You're ugly. Yup, this is Needle. Yup. Remember when we did that one color challenge? What outfit did you make me wear? The little Grinch one. Oh, this is definitely Needle. No one else would know these questions. What's my favorite food? You like soup and salad and stuff. This is 100% Needle. I take back the other person. This is definitely Needle. What's something that drives you crazy about me? How you always have to touch my hair all the time. And mess it up. And the fact that you care about gymnastics more. Then what? Been coming to see us in Texas. Oh my god, this is definitely Needle. I actually know for a fact that this is Needle. Okay, next person.
Dude, wow, okay. She was more Nidal than you are. I don't know that you can beat that.
Okay, I thought for sure she would guess me, but Jen kind of threw her off because she knows everything about her that I do. Nah, not everything actually.
Whoa, wait, hold on. Can we talk about that for a second? What does that mean?
I don't know. I'm just gonna hope for the best.
I really think number 3 was Needle because he's the only one who's been calling me ugly. Hello to the next person that's not Needle. Who's your role model? Mr. Beast. I do not think you're Needle. What's the best surprise you've ever given me? I don't know. And you must know you've just given me a surprise last night for your new video. Are you good at snapping me back or no? Snacking you back? Snapping me back. Do you know what snapping is? Wait, say that again. Alright, this is not Needle. Okay, we're done. Bye, thank you.
You need to be better as you than Gigi was at you.
Okay.
I'm kind of starting to root for you, but if you don't do this, no surprise.
Alright, you got this. Let's go. Come on. You got it.
Hello. Hi. What's your name? Needle. Oh my god. Of course it is. What's our favorite thing to do at Santa Monica together? Ride the piers. Ride the pier rides. Okay, chill. What's our favorite ride to do together? The dragon. This is sounding a little desperate. How many siblings do you have? 3. Wait, this also sounds like Needle. How did I meet my best friend? I was at Santa Monica and you and Jordan were like there. We met up at the grass patch. My first time seeing you. Do I miss you? I would hope so. You hope so? Yeah. Well, that question's gonna go unanswered. Who's my current celebrity crush? You don't have one. Dang it, okay. But it used to be Harry Styles. Okay. What's your favorite memory of us together? Probably the water park, whenever you were too scared to go down the drop slide.
I think you can do it on your own.
I need Needle up here to support me. I was not too scared. Shut up. How do you know that think of a really hard question. What's the first thing you do when you see me? Pick you up and carry you. Oh, okay. What's something you did that annoyed me so much the first time we met?
Oh, when we were playing by the beach and I splashed you with water.
Oh, okay. Wait. I think this might be Nidal.
Okay, Salish, one more question, then time to make a decision.
This is so hard. I don't know. Remember when we recorded the song?
Yeah.
Who is the only person I allowed to be in there with me?
Me.
Okay, Salish, time to make a decision. If you pick Nidal, then you get to move to the final round.
Okay.
Which one is Nidal?
I think it was either 3 or 5 because, they sounded exactly like Nidal. How could two people sound just like Nidal? The last answer only Nidal would know, so 5. Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Number 5. Yay!
Oh, okay. Time for the final round.
The final challenge is the ultimate test of their bond. We have switched their order. Salish is going to wear a blindfold and hold each person's hand and try to pick Nidal. Can she pick her best friend without seeing him or hearing his voice? If she can, they will get 2 awesome Valentine's Day surprises.
I don't know if I'm gonna guess Nidal, so I'm kind of scared. I don't know if he's gonna still like me if I don't guess him. We've held hands a lot, but I'm not paying attention when I hold his hands. I don't know what they feel like. Why would I know his face? It's not like I'm going like this all the time. I got this. Okay. I can't overthink it or else I'm not gonna. Yes! I got it!
Okay, that was awesome. I'm actually shocked at how happy I am right now, so time for the surprises.
Oh my gosh, look at this! Here, do you want a strawberry?
so good. Yeah.
Want a strawberry?
Okay, guys.
So good.
Happy Valentine's Day. Next time you guys see each other, you get to do this.
Hot air balloon!
Yeah!
I did it! Yay!
We're leaving tomorrow to Texas.
I'm gonna bring Salish to Texas to do a hot air balloon. Okay, I was wrong after all. Friends can definitely be Valentines.
Show that one. Show that one.
This one's the best.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Today, my daughter Salish and 2 of her friends face off against 3 boys to win their dream sleepover. They will compete in 6 sleepover challenges, and whoever has more points at the end of the day gets to stay here all night. But the losing team stays here. First challenge, pillow fight. Last person standing on the bed wins the first round for their team. Oh no! Oh, Ellie is down!
Salish, get up!
Oh, the Angelo goes down. That was a whack from Tsunami.
Ow! Oh my god!
Oh, go, Salish! There's feathers coming everywhere.
Breath and expand. That's a good idea. Let's do it.
Come on, guys, focus!
All right, let's do it.
1.
Oh! All right, boys got out of the tape. What? The girls got
it. Okay.
They both got out of the tape at the same time. Are you kidding? Okay, now you guys got to get the keys and unlock the doors.
Shoulders.
Yeah.
Wait, we just throw you up. Okay, all right. Okay.
This is super close. The guys have a definite advantage. Oh, it's already. Girls, you go. Oh, they both did it.
Go.
I got it.
This is going to all come down to which team can work together and find the key to get themselves out the door.
What are you doing?
This one.
No, it's the other one.
Hey, one of the black ones. Try that.
The blue one.
Oh,
The silver. No, they're all silver.
Wait, no, it's not that one. It has to be. Try this one.
It's not the black one.
It's not that one.
Come on. They're gonna beat us.
Go, no, oh my god.
Did we get it? Let's go. That was so easy, Jordan. You're gonna have to do better than that.
the boys will need to be careful with what they ask for because every challenge gets more and more out of control, starting with the next challenge. You got to join the girls in their room. Bye-bye, nice and tight. Who's better, boys or girls? That's actually a really difficult question to answer, but with these 7 challenges, we're gonna do our best to find out.
What are we we doing?
The challenge is patience. You guys just hang out, and when somebody leaves, that team loses. The boys think they're better, and the girls think they're better, but whoever wins this competition is gonna find out what's in this mystery box, and it's gonna be for them.
Bro, this is light work.
You have no patience. You're like jumping off the walls every second.
They think it's easy right now, but just wait. We have some fun challenges to make it a little bit harder. Starting with a special visit from Tsunami's brother, Diesel. Diesel! Diesel! I don't think you're gonna be screaming for him for long.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, stop! No, whoa. Okay. Well, that didn't work. I guess we're gonna have to make it even harder.
Oh my God.
Let's see how you like being in a tiny room.
No, okay, that's enough. You're gonna crush us.
With a screaming baby. Anybody want to come out?
No.
No.
We're fine. It's not even loud.
Both teams are really impressing me with their patience, but I've got a different idea now. If you want to come out, you can have whatever is in this briefcase.
Well, what's in it?
You know what people usually have in suitcases?
Is it good though?
It's kind of tempting.
Look at Jordan's face. Look at Jordan's face.
Okay, you're right. There's nothing in that suitcase.
All right, there's nothing in it?
I don't believe it. No way.
Now it's too late.
Oh my God.
What?
Are you serious?
Next time you see this briefcase, you might want to jump at the opportunity. That's all I'm saying. And if $1,000 isn't enough to get them to leave, I have no choice but to use my secret weapon. Rowan has been outside for the last 45 minutes sprinting. He's not wearing any deodorant.
I'm leaving.
We're gone.
Everybody say hi to Rowan.
Oh my God.
What's up,
That's nasty.
I think it's water, but just in case.
It's locked. It's locked. Yeah. It's locked. Help. Help.
So far, boys have more teamwork and more patience than girls.
No.
All that proved was they have no hygiene.
That's a good point.
You stink, bro.
We are going to find out who's stronger, boys or girls. What do you think? We are going to do a handstand competition. The last team with somebody in a handstand wins a point. However, Kato has an injured shoulder, so you're not allowed to go. You are automatically eliminated from this. Go. Tsunami, to make it fair, you go. All right, now it is 2-on-2. James and Jensen, Salish and Eliana.
That's right.
Hold a handstand. Last person holding it wins the point for their team. You think you're stronger because they're girls, don't you?
Oh yeah, we got this. This is easy.
Oh, please win this one.
I think they might win.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, he's already down, James. Okay, Jensen is holding it. Salish and Eliana are holding it. Oh, it's gonna be Jensen versus Salish and Eliana. How you feeling?
I'm great.
Eliana, do not let your boyfriend beat you. Jensen is holding it by himself. Hold it all. You're shaking.
My knee is really itchy,
Salish,
Dad.
do not itch your knee. Girls, lock in. Lock in.
Come on, Jensen.
Hold it, Salish. Do not let go. No, Delia, Salish. Hold it, Salish. Do not let it go. Do not let a boy beat you in strength.
Guys. Salish is so meticulous.
Okay, Salish,
You can't do that. Okay.
Just breathe. Jensen has got to be getting to.
Jensen,
Salish, come on.
Jensen.
No, Salish, stop looking. Just focus. Lock in. Breathe. Girls are strong. Find the power. Salish,
Oh, no.
hold it. Oh, yes! Yes! Wow, that was intense.
That was long.
My bracelet hurt my hand so bad.
I know.
Little girl, that was crazy. I'm not rooting for them. Girls won that round. Let's move on.
Girls are way better.
You made that look so easy. Next round, in the bag.
We were up for so long.
Let's be honest, he was up against a level 8 gymnast. What?
That's true. That's true. She does that like every day.
Who's smarter, boys or girls? Each team pick one volunteer.
Kato, you got it.
No. Now you got it.
I feel like this is you.
I don't know if I trust Salish.
Hey!
Prove it wrong. I think you can do it.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Salish, prove me wrong.
Salish
What's good, y'all?
and Kato. Okay, Salish versus Kato.
How does that work out?
Shut up.
Kato and Salish go way back.
Tell me something you really like about me. You're cute.
But after one of our more recent videos, apparently TikTok decided they were soulmates. But seriously, can we not? This is a game to see who's smarter. Okay, all right, stop fidgeting.
I'm not fidgeting.
You were just fidgeting.
Okay, Wrinkles.
We're not gonna use that, right, Sandy? We're gonna cut. Kato representing the boys, Salish representing the girls. In one of these briefcases is a labubu.
Labubu.
Salish is gonna open her briefcase. You're gonna watch her reaction, and then you're gonna decide whether or not to keep your briefcase or to steal her. Because if you end up with a labubu, you win this round. Are you smart enough to be able to tell if she's telling you the truth or lying? Salish, open the briefcase and look inside. Kato will have to decide if the labubu is in Salish's case or his.
Well, what's in there?
Uh-huh.
You don't know what's in the box?
If I say it, it's gonna give it away.
This is about intelligence. You have to read her mind.
May I help you, bro? Can you stop staring at me?
Salish is asking Kato to stop staring, but wait until you hear what she asks him later.
So, are you dating anyone?
You can tell me what's inside that briefcase.
Your mom.
Oh! You found that funny. I'm gonna say that it is in there. That there is something in there.
Here, you can have it. Let's go. Let's go.
Is Salish excited because she doesn't have the labubu, or is she trying to trick Kato to pick his own case?
Wait, I don't want it. It's not in there.
I think
No.
you should take it.
No, it's not in there.
You think the labubu is in your briefcase?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah, it's in there. It's in my briefcase.
All right, open it up and see.
Let's go!
That was so good! She picked you out so bad!
Yeah! Do you see that? No! We're gonna get it to a subscriber, so comment below if you want it.
She outthought you.
That was pretty good.
For the next round, you have to pick one volunteer. You have 10 seconds, go.
For what?
Me?
The boys think they're better and the girls think they're better, but whoever wins more challenges today gets whatever is in this mystery box.
So me? Yeah. I'm scared. Okay.
And done. The two volunteers, please come out. Tsunami versus Jensen.
Let's go!
All right, who is faster, boys or girls? We're about to do a race. Let's go. Come on outside. This is a race. Tsunami versus Jensen.
Boys!
You get one false start. Second time, you're eliminated automatically. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Wait, Jensen went a beat early. Review. You gotta do it again. If you go early again, you lose the point for your team. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, Tsunami. Oh my God, this is so close. That was so close. Jensen won. Oh my God. Let's go. That was really impressive. After a really close finish, it looks like the boys take home another win.
Boys!
For the next round, each team has 30 seconds to pick one volunteer. Go.
Wait, yo, what are we doing?
Wait, yo, what are we
If the
doing?
girls want a chance to win this prize and prove girls are better, they kind of have to win this round.
I'll do it. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
And done. You each have to put this over the volunteers' eyes. This next challenge is who has more drip, boys or girls?
What? Drip. Who says drip?
Sandy, cue some of my fits. I know drip. Okay, maybe I don't.
The thing to say is who can throw a fit.
Who can, oh, okay, right? Okay, Sandy, don't use that part. Next round, who can throw a fit?
What?
Us, obviously.
All right, everybody, bring it in, here we go. The two remaining teammates are gonna have 5 minutes to style the volunteer, and at the end, we're gonna have surprise YouTuber judges to determine who wins this round. Go! Who do you think it is? Comment below.
So, what do we want to do?
The volunteer cannot help you, and they cannot look at what you're putting on them.
Okay, put this on.
What's the best option?
I like this.
Oh, wait a minute.
That would look so good together.
Yes, that's so cute. Trust us.
Oh, it looks like the girls are putting together a pretty cute outfit.
We have to be crazy.
Wait, what do you mean crazy? Very extra?
Yeah, to make the judges laugh. You gotta trust us.
What is this?
I don't know what this is, but it's cool.
Baby suit.
Bro, yes!
Boss baby. That's our like boss baby.
I don't know about the boys. They keep holding this onesie. Are they actually gonna use it?
Wait, Jordan
have just said a onesie. I'm not wearing a onesie. No onesie.
We've got an outfit. We low-key cook.
30 seconds, go!
Oh my God, guys, what are you doing?
They're all panicking. They don't know which outfit to pick.
Put all this on.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop!
I think we did it.
Time to meet the judges. Sophie Dossi and Tyler Vitelli. Now they'll have to put on the outfits the other two picked out for them, and they'll be judged on their presentation and overall fashion. Do boys or girls have more drip?
Hey, Boomer, come
Wait,
on.
20 years
Let's
ago?
Keep it going.
Yeah, let's go.
Anyway, we're gonna go with the boys first. You think you're gonna win this thing? Yeah, you think you're gonna win this thing?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. I believe the boys have an introduction here. Take this into account. There's an introduction.
Presenting the one, the only King Boss Baby Bowser.
That is good.
Wah. Let's go.
That is good. I like that.
Okay, that was something. How do you think they did?
I'm pretty confident.
I'm feeling pretty good.
Can I ask you a question? Why did you guys go for the full, whole thing without...
We weren't gonna win if we actually tried.
So maybe you're gonna win on humor.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. I love you guys.
So judges, what did you think?
For the boys, I feel like the humor was there, it was funny, and they had great presentation. But the outfit, on the other hand,
Okay, what did you think?
Boss Baby is one of the greatest movies ever created.
Oh, you thought that was good?
That was fantastic.
Okay, girls, it looks like it's a split decision.
He's a boy.
Do you also have an introduction?
We didn't know we were supposed to do one.
Ooh, they don't have an introduction.
The outfit will make up for the presentation.
you guys are putting a lot of pressure on me here.
Presenting someone who doesn't need an introduction.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna open the door now, but let me help them out because this is hard to watch. Presenting the one, the only, the superstar, Eliana Walmsley! Oh yeah, okay.
We literally ate. It was so
You
good.
have to admit, bro, that was pretty good.
That was good.
Then you gotta finish it, finish it! Eliana Walmsley, everybody!
That was pretty good, wasn't it?
The cartwheel was bold, but let's see if she's still riding high in the next challenge.
I'm excited.
Jensen, you're not gonna take that much off. How you feel? You feel good about that?
I'm feeling great.
Tyler, Sophie, what'd you think about that one?
It was alright.
What?
I mean, it was fine, but I feel like everyone can do this split.
You should do the splits.
Yeah. I can do the splits. Do you want to go do the splits
I feel
then?
like you should demonstrate
No,
this.
everyone's seen me do the splits, but like they've never seen you do the splits.
Tyler, between us, you can't do this.
No.
Sophie, what did you think?
The splits, the back bends, and on top of it, I felt like her outfit was very New York Fashion Week.
I think it's time to bring out the two volunteers and to get scores.
Got this.
Stop aura-forming. You're gonna look back and think you looked stupid.
You'll be thinking the same thing.
I'm not aura-forming in every single TikTok I post.
She doesn't even know the lyrics.
Okay, this is you. Ready? This is you.
Bro, I do not do that.
And you take off your shirt in the middle, you're like...
And we're gonna get back to the judging. I think we were judging a while ago, weren't we?
For the boys, we give them...
Let's go.
What?
We got this, boys.
For the girls.
All right, come on, girls, you got this.
I was debating between a 6, 7, so I decided between 6.5 for the girl.
Wait, that's good though.
That's better than
If we get a 10, then we won.
If I was the judge, I'd give you guys a 7.5.
Cool. If I was the judge, I would give you guys a 0.
Wow.
And for my score for the girls...
That means the girls have taken this round and they have more drip. Let's go.
I think because I just don't know anything about fashion,
Yeah,
I
you
didn't.
clearly don't. Yeah.
I think that was a problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, clearly.
I'm gonna go to New York Fashion Week now.
Okay, before I give you guys the next challenge, I just want to tell all of you something really exciting. We are doing our very first meetup on September 6th at the American Dream Mall in New Jersey. We're gonna have a bunch of special guests and we're making a huge announcement and I hope all of you guys can join us. Link in description. This is the final round. How you feeling? You good?
Let's do it.
How you feeling? You good? The final round to figure out who's better, boys or girls, is truth or dare. This is John, a certified polygraph expert. Girls first.
Let's go, yeah, come on, girls.
Who do you want to nominate to go first?
Ellie, you're the oldest, you're the adult. Yeah, you're the adult, Ellie. That doesn't mean I have to go first.
Eliana, would you like to choose truth or dare?
I guess I'm feeling adventurous and I'll do a dare.
Oh.
No, what is it? No.
That's an evil laugh.
Is that a bad decision?
Now remember, if you don't want to do the dare, you can say pass and you automatically lose a point for your team.
Ellie?
I put this on Instagram and asked for dares for all 6 of you. So the top dare for Eliana, well, it says let Jensen cut your hair. Eliana, would you like to accept the dare or pass and lose a point?
Ellie, please accept it.
Get the razor!
It's my hair. It will grow back. It's my hair.
You're going bald!
Ellie! Fine.
Oh, she's gonna do it!
No way!
Jensen and Eliana, come on out.
Where's the razor?
Here you go. Scissors. This is a big dare going over.
I'm excited.
No.
I actually didn't think Eliana was gonna pick dare, so I'm surprised about this.
The one time I am actually adventurous.
Jensen, you're not gonna take that much off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, no way. Eliana, you can still quit. You can still say no. No, you can still say no. No. Whoa!
Oh my gosh. All your hair. Oh my gosh. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine. No, I'm fine.
Oh, you're so dead when you get home. Oh, you're so dead.
Okay, that was rough, but the girls just got a point. But this is nothing compared to what we have reserved for them later.
Did you ever have a crush on Biggie Norris?
Have you ever kissed any boy?
Oh my God.
What? This challenge is about to get wild. Okay, boys, who do you pick to go first?
Jensen.
Jensen's got it.
Okay, Jensen, do you want to pick truth or dare?
After watching what just happened to Eliana, I'm not picking dare.
Okay, so you want to do truth?
Yes.
All right, come on out and sit here for John, the polygraph expert.
Oh.
Dare?
He's scary.
Jensen, the super exciting thing about this is Eliana is going to be asking you the questions.
No.
I'm back, better than ever.
Jensen, you are now being wired up with polygraph equipment that will tell us whether or not you're telling the truth or lying. Eliana is going to ask you 3 questions, and if you even lie once or refuse to answer a question, your team doesn't get this point.
Jordan, no! Hey, I don't care what she asks, you better tell the truth. This is so scary.
Eliana, ask question number 1.
Have you thought about breaking up with me within the last month?
No.
True.
Oh my God, bro.
That took a little too long.
That's not my fault.
Have I worn anything like that you thought was really ugly and you didn't like?
Jensen, breathe. Calm down. Gotta chill.
Yes.
True.
What was it?
Maybe that like polka dot outfit that you wore that was...
In my TikTok? Why didn't you tell me?
I was trying to be nice. I'm not gonna tell you look bad.
Because I don't look bad, it's just the outfit looks bad. You're on thin ice here.
Oh.
You never want to hear that from your girlfriend. Question number 3. Be careful with this one.
Oh boy.
If you could date anyone else, who would it be?
Oh my God.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Only you.
You're 100% positive.
Yes.
John?
Oh my God.
True.
The boys win a point. Let's move it on.
I was so scared.
Why were you scared?
Because I'm hooked up to a lie detector. Hey, W-Mans. We got it. Hey, don't mess this up though.
Yeah, we got
Don't mess this up.
Yeah,
Bro was looking at me when he said that. I know Jordan's coming for you.
Okay, which girl is going next?
Tsunami!
Oh. Tsunami!
Okay.
Tsunami.
Yeah.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Oh!
This might be really bad.
Okay, come on out. Tsunami, you're gonna be asked 3 questions.
Okay.
And the person asking you is gonna be your brother Diesel.
Oh no. No, Jordan, no.
But I want you to remember while you're answering them, not only are we gonna know if you're telling the truth, but also your father is here. It's not too late. You can just say no, and your team does not get a point.
I'm gonna take one for the team, and I'm gonna answer the question.
Okay, wow, that red one is really spiking. Tsunami, dude, you have to chill. The spike is out of hand right now. Okay, just breathe, take a breath. When you're ready, say you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, Diesel, go ahead.
Have you ever had a crush on somebody, but told Pi that you didn't?
Yeah.
True.
Oh, boy.
His face?
That's
Oh
that's
my
rough.
God.
Okay, Diesel, what's the second question?
Do you currently have a crush?
Diesel.
We're gonna go back here.
No. Sue. That was the most not true answer I've ever. Okay, sure. Yeah, I have. I do.
Thank you.
True. Oh my God.
I'm so good.
Oh my
Oh, he's so mad.
Final question. I know he broke the chair.
I'm so cooked.
You're actually
Well, final question, Sue.
Did you ever have a crush on Biggie Norris?
Bye.
Okay, so the girls did not get a point for that round as Tsunami lied on the last answer.
Why would you do that? Because my dad's here.
Your brother is the GOAT.
Everybody get back into the room. Get back into the room. Who's better, boys or girls, for the mystery present? You guys think you know what it is? Comment below. Boys, who's next?
James!
James. Okay, Kato, you're next. James, truth or dare?
I gotta pick Dare, honestly.
No way.
Okay, the number one dare for James on Instagram says this. James, to match the tattoo you got of Salish on your arm, now get an earring piercing.
No! No, actually, you have no choice. You have to do it.
That's like aura, though.
James, come on out. Sit right there.
I have a 10-year-old sister. She didn't even make a tear. You're fine.
Oh, and guess what? We kind of wanted to save some money because I didn't know if you were going to pick it, so we didn't get a professional. Instead, I'm just going to do it.
Have you ever done a piercing before?
No. How hard could it be? Look, I have instructions. Hold on, I'm supposed to, okay, hold on. Let me clean out in there. Okay, do that.
What do you mean you?
I think you're gonna have,
No, that
you're
looks
gonna have like a gold stud. It is sharp.
That's gonna look tough.
It's gonna look really tough.
Come on, you got this. Think about the ladies.
All right,
Do it for the ladies.
It hurts really bad, James.
Ready?
That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Other way.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my God, he was doing it the wrong way.
Before I do this, I'm warning you, I've never done it before. I don't know how to do it.
Why are you telling me this?
Because I want to give you an opportunity to say no, and then you won't get a point. You don't have to do this. Oh, jeez. Okay, that might be a little dirty, but it doesn't matter. Use your head this way.
Oh my gosh.
3, 2, 1.
Mom, what?
What are you doing?
I was just gonna get an ear piercing. I was for the challenge. I have to do it.
No.
James, Mom, please. He needs
I
this
told
point.
you that I don't care.
No. We need this point.
No. Mom.
Yay!
Okay, I guess you didn't get a point.
That's not fair.
Listen, if you want to do it so bad, here's the thing, right here. Who wants a piercing? Who wants a piercing? Colin, you.
No.
It is absolutely tied, and there's one final round of Truth or Dare to determine who's better, boys or girls, and then we will find out what's in the mystery box.
Boys.
Girls.
That was weak.
Appreciate your enthusiasm. We all know who's going for the final round for the girls. It's my little girl, Salish.
Let's go, Salish.
Let's go.
Salish, Truth or Dare?
I think I'm gonna pick Dare.
Come on out to hear your dare.
Okay, I'm scared.
Have a seat there.
Wait, why am I sitting right here?
I'll sit right here.
I said Dare, not Truth.
I know. And your dare is to tell the truth to one question.
That's crazy.
This is in reference to the video we just posted when you went on a fake date with James and pranked me. The question is, in that video, you said that you couldn't say on camera who you've kissed.
Oh! I can't say that on camera.
So the dare, which is also a truth, and remember, you don't have to answer this.
Okay.
Have you ever kissed anyone other than the doll in that video?
Oh my God.
Oh, she's so guilty.
Salish, have you ever kissed any boy? Just remember, there's no judgment. It's totally okay. You're almost 16. Kissing would be totally fine.
Actually, I'm not answering this.
What?
Say
Yes! Yes! What? Yes! What? Wait!
Let me take this thing off.
No, you just lost a point.
I'm not doing this anymore.
Salish, it is just a kiss, okay?
You can't tell your dad that.
Why not?
It's your dad.
What's he gonna do?
My grandparents watch these videos.
You are 15 now.
So?
It's normal.
My parents don't realize that.
I realize it. I said it was okay. I just want to say for the record, I'm glad you didn't answer it. It's your own personal business. Instagram wanted to know. I'm kind of happy I didn't have to hear that. Now get back into your box, please. Get back into your box. Salish didn't get the point, which means if Kato gets a point for his team, they win the mystery box, and boys are better than girls. So Kato, truth or dare?
Truth.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Come on out.
You got this, bro. You got this.
Bro, my palms are sweaty.
Oh, he looks nervous.
You don't have to do this. But if you tell the truth with every question, your team wins, and boys are better, and you get the mystery box. Are you ready?
Okay.
Do you want to quit?
No.
Who would be the worst person you could imagine to ask you questions right now?
The person I'm looking at right now.
Lucky for you, it's going to be me.
No!
John, you can wire him up. Kato, I've been through this with Nadal a few times.
I know.
I know what I'm doing.
Why are you shaking so bad? I'm pretty sure we know the answers to all of your questions.
Oh, you don't know the questions yet.
Why are you so red?
You're getting red. Calm down. There's millions of boys watching. They want to prove that boys are better than girls. They're counting on you.
All right, I got you.
Now, I want to remind you, we will know if you're lying, and also your mother is here watching.
Ooh, that's awkward.
Oh my God.
Yes. The other two that did truth had 3 questions, but
yeah.
For this one, because it's final, I'm gonna do 5.
You know what? Fine. Go ahead. I don't care.
I didn't ask Instagram because I've got some questions for you.
Okay, I don't like this.
You and Salish knew each other for a while, and then you didn't see each other, and then you came back together with the Secret Admirer video, right?
Correct.
And she asked you 2 questions in the dinner scene.
Right.
Number 1, what's your type?
Girls that are kind, sweet, personality,
Yes, it's mommy!
have green eyes,
Oh.
and are super nice.
True.
Okay.
Okay. You told the truth. That was sweet. It's not what you said last time. Last time you said starts with an S, ends in a
H, and she matters.
And she matters. That was a good line, by the way. Smooth. Saw it on TikTok a lot too.
Okay, now this is a little awkward.
Yep. Number 2, have you ever lied about having a crush?
No.
True. Number 3, I'm gonna play a TikTok for you.
Oh no.
And I would like to know who you are referring to in this TikTok, if you don't mind. You just posted it today.
Oh no.
So let me just.
Oh, I know what he's talking about.
Oh.
When you find yourself thinking about her all the time.
Oh.
Kato, calm down, put your hands straight. Do you need a minute? Do you need some water?
Please.
I think we're just gonna move on.
Please.
You can have water after. You don't have to answer the question.
But then my boys won't get a point.
Then you won't get the point, and then we'll go to sudden death. So just so you know, in all seriousness, this is fun, but you don't have to answer this question if it's too personal.
Yeah, you don't.
You don't. You can
definitely
just.
don't.
You can
Yeah,
absolutely.
you can absolutely quit.
You have to answer.
Absolutely.
Tell
you
the
can
truth.
quit.
Come on.
Salish.
What? What'd you say?
Salish.
You were thinking about Salish in that TikTok.
Yes.
Okay. John?
Oh
Oh, okay.
I gotta hide.
Yeah, me too.
Her dad is crazy.
You should have lied. You could have told us. Why did you tell the truth?
Oh.
Jordan, how do
wow.
you feel about that?
That was a rough moment.
What's the girl's last name?
There's only one Salish
Wait,
girl.
is there another Salish?
Just make sure it's me.
Okay, we might need to take a breather before the final.
Bro, it's really hard in here.
Yeah, here's some water. Here's some water.
Jordan, I'm being so dead serious. This mystery box better be good.
The graph is crazy. He's going crazy. Dude, do we need to stop before you have it? Are you good? Okay, all right, Kato, breathe. Let's get it back. 2 more questions. If you answer these 2 questions right, the boys win the entire challenge.
Got you.
And those questions will not be asked by me. They will be asked by Salish.
No way.
Okay.
You got this, bro.
I've been thinking about this question for a while, actually. So, are you dating anyone?
Oh my God, why?
If I was dating you and you posted that TikTok about a girl, I would be kind of mad. So, are you dating someone?
No.
True.
Well, I'm kind of gonna expose you for this one. Do you remember when you asked me to go to the movies?
Yeah.
And I kind of avoided the question.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to dinner?
You have to answer this question truthfully.
Yes.
John?
True.
So the boys won.
That was crazy.
That was. Are we good?
Oh, so that's the end of the video. Wait, I didn't win?
No! He told the truth!
Why didn't we win?
Because he just told the truth!
You guys are going to dinner.
Did you think he was gonna lie about that?
I forgot about that.
That was a wild ending to a video. Boys won, congratulations. And here's what's in the mystery box. This is $1,000!
Let's go! Hey, Salish, this is $300. Now I get to take you out to a fancy dinner.
Whoa. Okay, hold on.
What?
Cut the show.
No one at the school wants you around, everyone hates you. I just didn't want to exist anymore.
Hello everyone, I am in Brooklyn, New York to see how many awesome shots I can get in 10 minutes for the 10-minute photo challenge. The performer today is a trained ballerina who has starred in one of my most popular 10-minute photo challenges, and she is also an international fashion model who has been on the cover of Vogue magazine. Now it may seem like everything has been easy for Em in her life, but she actually has a really heartbreaking secret that she's never told anyone.
My name is Emery. I am 18 years old and I am a fashion model in New York City. I think the bullying started when I was about 8 years old. Kids at that age would call me ugly, think my eyebrows were gross, poking at me, saying like, oh, well, you're too fat here. My dance teachers would blatantly say, you look anorexic, you're too scrawny. Things like that, where I would just hate myself. I ended up having a shoot with Jordan Matter. I had posted a photo and my stomach had natural rolls in it, and I thought nothing of it. I felt genuinely beautiful in this photo. I ended up finding the world of cyberbullying when people started commenting, you are too obese to be in point shoes. Then posting a photo that was taken 20 minutes from the first one, and you could see my ribs. And people then had started to comment, you are too anorexic, you are ugly, all of these things. And I basically remember just not knowing what to think about myself. I was dating this boy. He and his two other friends started texting me, you're a whore, you're a slut, no one at the school wants you around, everyone hates you. I didn't know at that time how to use my voice. I just shut down. I locked myself inside the bathroom. I was seriously contemplating. I just didn't want to exist anymore. It is a miracle I walked out of there. I just got up and I forced myself out the bathroom. It was like this, I got the opportunity to...
Bullies, right?
Exactly.
So let's do a photo shoot. Now here are the rules. Em is gonna be a ballerina and she's gonna be a fashion model in the same video. There is Capizio dancewear and very expensive fashion clothing. If you can get a photo in 10 different outfits in 10 minutes, you get to keep everything in this suitcase.
Let's do this.
I am very comfortable doing dance photography, but I am very uncomfortable doing fashion photography because I'm not a fashion photographer. So I brought with me somebody who will keep me honest, Fashion Police and Emery's agent, Damien. We can't move on past a fashion photo until Damien says,
Major.
For the timer today, I've got fashion model, makeup artist, Ruth. Are you ready? Oh, she's ready! There is thousands of dollars of clothes in that suitcase. Will she get 10 outfits in 10 minutes? We're about to find out. Come on, are you done? Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Come here, come here. Oh, wait, brick wall. Look, Damien, isn't brick wall kind of fashiony? Do like this. Isn't that fashion?
No. More like a lunge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Space, angles.
That's nice, actually. Hold it right there. Tell me if it's major.
No, it's too stiff. Angles. That's it.
Nice.
That's it, Em. Major.
Major, yeah, ding. Okay, change. Change into the red dress. Red dress, give me a red dress, hurry.
Oh, there in the back, perfect.
I worked with Em 3 years ago when we were just starting the 10-minute challenge. That was incredible, went viral. We're doing it again.
Go.
Woo! Oh my God, that's beautiful. Okay, come on over here. Let's go. Oh God, you look gorgeous. Wow. Go on the rocks. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I want you to stand on this incredible flat rock right there. This isn't what you would do if you wanted to save time. Wait, Damien, what do you think? No, don't move. Help! I don't shoot fashion, Damien.
Shoot, that's it. She's got it. More space. Don't touch her head. Just, yep. Gorgeous, Major.
Yeah, go in the water, go in the water. Does this get wet? No. Does it?
No, it doesn't. It's couture.
So what?
It can't get wet.
It can't get wet?
Not today.
Watch who's changing. Ken Brower, New York City Dance Project. He's an amazing fashion photographer. He's gonna take a fashion photo. I just ran into him. Come on, come this way. Whoa! Hey! Whoa, never mind. Oh, black on black. Oh, that was really nice. I wouldn't have thought to do that. That's bad. That's good, isn't it?
The texture is cool.
Why do I have a feeling this is gonna be the best entire photo in this whole shoot?
Sucks. I know he just showed me up. I just feel that he showed me up.
Ken Brower, follow him everywhere. New York City Dance Project. This guy's dope. Let's keep going. That's really nice.
Major.
No, you can't. Everybody's all, oh my God, I got a Ken Brower photo. You got a Jordan Matter photo, okay? Could you get changed? We're running out of light and out of time.
Let's go.
Hurry!
Major. Hurry, why are you celebrating? Hurry.
Okay, let's go, Will. Let's go.
Come on, we are running out of light. It gets dark so quick at the end of the day. 2 outfits. We got 1 minute and 2 outfits left. Let's go, hurry. Can you face that way so I can get the light? Oh, yeah. Yeah, but like with your arms and stuff, like that, that's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Yes. Arm up. Go, arch. You like it?
I love this.
Major, right? Major, right? Hey, we got one more. We got like 30 seconds. Go. You got your 30 seconds to change and you got 30 seconds to get a photo. Get some cool shoes on. We're going over here. Come here. If you can get low,
Yes.
the light will shine on you nicely. Oh my gosh, nobody's there. Go back. Go. Yes.
5.
Hurry.
4,
Go. Ready.
3,
Go.
2, 1,
Yes.
0.
Major! Here's the value of all the clothing M just won. Now, I hope you enjoyed the photo shoot, but more importantly, enjoyed M's inspiring story. If you are the victim of bullying and you need somebody to talk to, there's a phone number in the description. M, thank you so much.
We're not done.
What do you mean?
You know I'm a photographer, right? Confidence. Yes. That looks so good. Oh yeah, I love it.
Today, my daughter Salish and her best friend the doll challenge a 6-year-old prodigy in 5 rounds of a cheer and gymnastics competition. Wow! The winning team gets their dream night out. Round 1, tug of war. First team to get pulled over this line loses. 1, 2, 3, go!
No, that's all you got?
Oh, he's trash talking you early.
Let's go. Uh-oh. Hey.
Oh, what the? Whoa.
More muscle, Jaden.
Come on,
more muscle.
Get up. Get up, Salish. Get up. Run. Let's go, Jaden. No. Get up.
Wait, I lost my grip. Wait a minute, Jaden. I got you.
Look at this. A comeback. We got a comeback right here.
Cool, Jaden. Jaden, I need your help. There you go.
Oh. No. It's all over.
Ow, my hand. That hurt so bad.
Hey, that's what happens whenever you step to the big dogs.
You gotta come harder than that.
Yeah.
Oh, round 1 goes to Jaden and Roland. Nadal, I thought you were stronger than that. Like,
Yeah,
no,
Nadal.
wait, you gave up.
I thought
Nadal
you
Wonder
were
gave
strong.
up. Cut. Next round is gonna
Dad,
be what?
Why can't you be that cool?
I
He
can't-
bench pressed her and threw her like 10 feet in the air.
I can't be as cool
I
as
wish you did that to me when I was younger.
Next round, each team has to do their best cheer stunt.
I told you no! They're cheerleaders, so
course they're gonna
Hey, didn't you read the title of the video? It's called Cheer.
What? Tug of war isn't cheer?
Salish and Adele go first. They have 5 minutes to set up their stunt.
Wait, I have an idea. Ready? You go like this, and you're gonna go like that, and you're gonna go and catch me, okay? 1, 2.
And I'll go like that. 1, 2. Okay.
Hey, Roland, can you come over here and help us out?
Let's see.
I'm gonna hold her. Look, remember how I got
But time out, how are you gonna get her up there?
You.
I'm gonna spot her, okay? So just in case you can't do it, I'm gonna make sure she's fine. Let's go, 1, 2.
Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, okay.
Whoa, whoa,
Okay.
whoa, whoa. Wait, he's strong. That's crazy.
I don't trust this kid for a second.
Pop her off.
Pop her off? What?
Whoa! Are you a gymnast?
Yeah.
Can you do a handstand?
Yeah.
Do you have the splits?
Yeah.
I'm gonna teach you a stunt, okay?
Okay.
In 5 seconds. I'm gonna hold you, trust me, I won't drop you. Ready?
Okay.
Let's go. Ready?
Do I feel good about this?
1, 2.
Wow.
Whoa! Yeah! What? Feet together. What?
Wow.
Yes, hey.
Wow.
That's how you do it.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, now you try that.
Now you try it.
Let's go.
I'm gonna need some backup.
Hey, back up! Back up! They can bring as many people as they want, Daddy.
And now Cheer Athletics is gonna help Nadal stunt say.
Dipping and then standing all the way up as tall as we can.
And holding her.
You got this, little boy? Little boy, I'm older than you. You're 11 and I'm 12, almost 13.
You're not almost 13. You're not even close to 13. She's still a tween. She's not a teenager, never will be.
We're gonna do 2 tricks back to back. Check this out.
And go, you gotta go right now, guys. Do I trust Nadal in this situation?
Grab the tuck, just step in closer, right? Stand up. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Whoa! Yes, Ed. Yes, Ed, pulling up. Yes, yes, yes.
And come down.
That was awesome.
I can do that.
You can do that?
Yeah. There you go.
What? I wasn't
Actually good at it.
I wasn't doing anything. Okay.
All right, go ahead and jump in.
Okay.
And ready? 5. Keep your feet underneath you. 5, 6, 7. Down. 1 foot underneath you. Yeah.
Wow! Whoa! She got way up there.
Wow! Dude, my little girl, you see that? I bet that was impressive. Like, let's be honest.
That was pretty cool. I don't know why they needed 10 people, but we're gonna see what we can do with 2 people. Let's get them, mama. Let's show them how to really stunt.
You guys think you're gonna win the round?
No. No.
No chance?
Ow.
No, no chance.
1-on-1. 1, 2.
Whoa! Whoa!
That's how it's done. Pop
Wow.
over. 1, 2. Hand ski.
What the heck?
1, 2.
She's 5.
1, 2.
Are you kidding?
Heel stretch.
Whoa!
Free stretch.
Whoa! What?
Triple down. 1, 2, go.
What?
What? What? Whoa!
Jaden!
Little something.
What the heck?
There we go. All right, we're warmed up now.
Dad, why can't you be like that?
He's a baseball player, you know that.
And now we got Colton to judge this round.
No, we don't need to hear the judging. Cut. No.
What are you gonna do if you win today?
If we win, we get to go dress up with all my friends.
Hey, can Daddy dress up too?
We're gonna go to the mall if we win. You know, we're gonna get all the Bath and Body Works we can.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get steak.
No, we're not. Clothing and perfume.
Juicy, medium rare steak.
And perfume and makeup and clothes.
Juicy steak.
And fun things. Comment down below which one you would rather go with.
This is gonna be a blowout if you guys don't win this round. Next round is handstand walk. Person get the furthest wins for their team. 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go, Jaden.
Oh, Jaden is already, what? How did she get so far out? In the lead, Salish is in the second. We got a big Roland, looks like he's bringing out the rear.
Getting old.
Nadal is still up, Salish is still up. It's Salish and Jaden. This is all over if Jaden wins. Whoa, Jaden's stumbling, Salish, oh, Salish could win it. That was so close, replay it. This is a photo finish for round 3. If Salish wins, it's close. If they win, it's a blowout. There goes Jaden and Salish. Salish, 1 extra step. Yeah! Wow, that was so close.
You win some, you lose some, okay? Look at me. You can't win everything, mama.
Just like Salish, Jaden is super competitive and always wants to win. But her dad is gonna make her feel like a winner no matter what happens.
You win some, you lose some, okay?
Jaden!
You're right
You
by.
did such a good job.
You did good.
Here.
Come here. You beat 2 rounds. Jaden, it's so good because guess what? You've only had 6 years, but I've had 6 more years to practice that. And I only beat you by that much. And that was the first.
Front layout. Not bad,
Number 3.
What's up, Markel? All right. Can't let an 11-year-old beat me.
Wow.
Wow. Trying to take it easy on him, Markel. I don't think you know who the doll is. Hey, I know who he is. I got this. Let's go. Let me see what he can do.
You realize if you lose this, you guys lose this entire competition. It is down to this moment.
No, you do not let me down. You show him how it's done.
Okay.
Okay. We've done a lot of flipping competitions, but Roland might be your toughest competition yet. That was sick. You got to bring out your best.
Regardless, much respect to you. Shut it down. Let's go. Show me how to do it.
Here we go.
Come on, Nito.
Wow. Oh, okay. Whoa!
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Hey, Markel, I didn't think he was going to do that. Shout out to you.
I told you. The doll did a bounce back and ended with a double back, so I'm going to have to give the wins to the doll.
Hey,
Markel, you are literally the queen of everything.
Thank you, Markel. This is all tied up. Final round. Remember, the winning team gets to pick the evening of their choice. This is getting exciting. Next round, partner yoga. You each have 1 minute to do this. Go.
Go on him. Go like this. Go.
I'm going to lay on my back. You put your feet up, you just kick over, but don't kick over all the way. You're going to fall off, okay?
No, not right there on my stomach.
Oh, my feet are too big, mama. Ready, set, let's go.
3, 2, 1. No, it's right here.
Arms down, hands down, lower. Right there.
Look at me, look at me. Wow.
Chin up high, big smile.
Got it. That was a good shot. Oh, they're getting it too.
No, Salish, lean forward. He's not catching me.
There we go. Oh, we got it.
He couldn't hold me, so I couldn't get my feet fully over. Oh, no. I can hold that.
They got the photo, so it counts. We're going to make it a little harder. Next, how to do this.
Okay.
Oh, you just threw my daughter down?
Oh, yeah, this is good.
This kid.
I can do it.
So whoa. Here, lay down on your back, your back.
My pose is this. No. Yeah, that's my pose.
Head back, hips up high.
Oh my gosh.
Important toe.
Arch more, just make it thick. Whoa, they got that shot. Wow, you guys have 1 minute. You have 1 minute.
Dude, Roland, help us.
You need help? Let's go help him, Jaden.
You have 1 minute. You have 50 seconds.
Push her up.
Can they do it? They needed to bring in help. Roland is a heck of a competitor, isn't he? Look at this.
Lock out your arms high. Push her up.
Okay, Salish, now curl your foot. Salish.
Give her some balance over here.
Oh boy, okay, be safe, please.
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, hold it. They got it. Whoa! Wow! Let's give it up to Roland. You are a great sport. It counts because he allowed it to count. This is the final pose. Whichever team gets it first wins. 1, 2, 3, go.
Do a handstand. Here, come here. Give me your hand.
You better hurry.
Okay. My feet go on your hands.
Roland's already in position. Say, none of them can do it. This is the hardest one. Okay, go.
Wait. Now grab my ankle.
Use my foot.
Jaden, sit up. Come here, hurry.
Everybody's falling. What is going on?
You have to go like this.
Back bend. Now grab my ankle. Hurry, grab my ankle.
I'm bottom, go top. What do I do? Put your feet on my hands.
Yeah! Let's go.
No! Feet on my hands!
Looks like Jaden's gonna get it.
Ow, it hurts, Jordan.
They got it. It's over. And look at what are you guys doing.
Yep, high five, mama. Let's go get a dress.
We lost. I know, big bummer. Tag your... What? Pretty sure you've been crushing. Non-stop gushing. Everyone says it's clear to see.
Today, my daughter Salish and her best friend the doll let Instagram control their day at Magic Mountain. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, what was that?
And the first thing they have to do, according to you on Instagram, is ride the scariest roller coaster. What is the scariest ride in this whole amusement park?
It's gotta be Wonder Woman, man.
Wonder Woman? What was the scariest ride you did?
Wonder Woman.
That's 2 for Wonder Woman. We've asked a bunch of people, and apparently the scariest ride here is Wonder Woman.
I've heard about it and it sounds kind of scary.
Let's see what happens.
Hey, let's go, come on.
Go, 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 go. I posted on my Instagram this morning that we were coming to Magic Mountain, and I asked you guys to give us suggestions on what Salish and Nadal should do, and that's what you're gonna see today.
We just got here at Wonder Woman and it looks really scary. He's definitely terrifying.
Why did Instagram pick the scary one?
You just don't want to admit that you're scared.
I'm not scared. Okay, I have to impress Salish.
Impress me.
I didn't say that.
Salish and Nadal are on this right now. This is terrifying.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die.
That was crazy fun. Look at her expression. Okay, you know what? I think they should also have to do the highest ride. What do you think?
Woo! That was not scary. It was just fun. I was terrified. I didn't scream once.
Neither did I.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I wasn't scared either.
This is reminding me so much of the video they did 2 years ago at Disneyland. My little girl was, so cute. Let's recreate some of it.
Nito, remember how we pranked my dad with the nails bracelets at Disneyland?
Yeah.
We should still prank him again with necklaces.
Yeah.
Do you think he's gonna notice?
I don't think so.
If he doesn't notice for the whole entire day, I think we should reveal it to him at the end. What should I say on?
How about I have Nay, you have Lish.
No! It should be like Salish and Nidal.
An S and an N.
Yeah. Can we get this silver heart necklace?
Can we have 1/2 an S and 1/2 an N?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. No, you don't attach it like that. Okay, go ahead, Nidal. That's like a rock star. Oh shoot, my dad's saying. Okay, put the necklace in your shirt.
Oh, my throat. I was screaming too much on the ride.
Yeah, same.
Oh, you okay? So the next challenge is, you have to go to another ride, right?
Yeah.
The other ride is way over there. So Instagram has decided that either Salish is gonna carry Nadal or Nadal is gonna carry Salish.
Woo, please say Salish.
Okay, and the answer is Nadal carries Salish.
Yay!
If you're not able to get all the way there before you do the ride, you have to go on the merry-go-round twice.
What?
Jeez, wow, you're doing it that way. You're gonna carry her all the way there? Like this? Ooh, not sure about that look.
Okay, where are we going?
All I know is it's a very long distance away. You good?
Yeah.
Did I mention this? You have to get there in 90 seconds.
You're kidding.
Go, go. Actually, maybe this was a bad idea. If Salish and Nadal complete all the Instagram challenges, they get an awesome surprise. But it won't be easy. Actually, let's make it 10 minutes.
Salish, up on my back.
Okay,
Slowly.
Oh, if you touch the ground, it's a merry-go-round.
Yes! Stand up, stand up, stand up.
He's taking a break. Hey, Nadal, I thought you were kind of more of a strong kid, you know? I can carry her for miles. Whoa, okay. I caught you or else you would have touched with your face, you know. I don't know if Nadal's gonna make it. Oh, wait, I forgot. It's actually up the hill. I was totally going the wrong way. I'm sorry. Come on, back up there. He's gonna let her go.
Wait, you said the yellow ride. So the yellow ride's right there.
Oh, wait. Oh, I tried to fool them. It didn't work. You guys are giving them some awesome challenges on Instagram, but I hope they do all of them because the surprise is so sweet.
You want it really going?
Whoa, geez. Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? And it's all over. He did it, yes.
Oh my god, my back. Keep going, let's go.
Another one of the Instagram challenges was holding hands, but they just did that all on their own.
You're back to my flip, you're the girl in my shoes.
You're the back to my flip, you're the girl in my shit.
But you're my ass, and I don't know what it is, but I think this is it.
She knows the whole song.
Uh-oh.
This is probably Salish and Nadal right now. If you want to see all of their rides, you got to go to Nadal's channel because he's trying every single one and rating them.
Oh, she saw the GoPro. She saw the GoPro. She saw the GoPro, the lady.
It's away.
Oh my god.
No, I feel really bad. What do I do?
Oh my god, we're going. Stop, don't leave.
Go, go. So she stopped us at the top of the ride and was yelling at us, put the GoPro away. And I kept thumbs upping her because I put it away. But she didn't believe me. And I was like, how do I prove I put it away?
I was embarrassed I was sitting next to her. Everyone was like looking back at us. I was like,
Yeah, it was so embarrassing. Dad! Okay, she saw the GoPro. she started yelling at us, put the GoPro away and stop the whole ride.
She was like, don't worry, she can't stop the ride. She stopped the ride. I was like, Salish, we're away. She's like, no, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. It was away!
Because the vote was so close, they're gonna have to do the tallest ride as well.
That looks so fun. That looks fun.
$55?
Oh, you're paying?
That's so sweet. He just bought the tickets. $55, he's 12.
Dang, that was expensive. Ouch. My bank account's hurting more than me right now. What are you doing? Aww.
This is the scariest ride here.
It's one of them.
What are we doing?
No, hold on. I can't do this.
We don't have a choice now. You have to do it.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
That was so fun. It was so fun.
We jumped all the way from there. We were like 3, 2, 1. I pulled the cord, and then we went flying, and we almost flipped. And
Really? So they're going again? This time I'm definitely paying.
Go with us, Dad.
Go with us, please, please.
Is it scary?
You would be so cool.
It's a 10. This is the funnest ride
You
here.
would be so cool.
Suddenly my heart's out. Actually, I don't like heights. Can you tell me like how scary is
It's
it?
terrifying.
I have to, right? I have to.
Yes!
Do I have to?
Yes!
Rowan's nodding. Yeah, I have to. If you think I look scared, go to Nadal's channel after this video and find out what happens next. I just posted on Instagram, so we gotta wait 1 minute, and then you get your next challenge. Then you get to go on a ride.
Let's go.
Your necklace.
Oh my god.
Going on all these rides makes you really hungry.
$22.
It is time for lunch. Nadal got a burger with fries. Salish got because
They don't have any other vegetarian options.
Magic Mountain. Get it together for the vegetarians. Whoa! You have 2 options for how to eat. Eat blindfolded or feed each other.
Please be blindfolded.
Please be blindfolded. Please be blindfolded. And it is eat blindfolded. Okay, okay.
Coming up, a prank on my dad gone very wrong.
Whoever finishes the food first gets an unlimited budget for 1 minute at the candy store. Go.
We're both taking our time, like by a lot.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take my time.
Me too.
So you're both taking your time, huh?
Now you have to eat both of those.
All right, he ate them.
Already?
Nadal's really winning here. You got 2 little ones left. Let me see. Chew. Wait, let me see. It looks like. Did you just finish at the same time?
Oh, yeah, we both get the candy.
Oh, wait, how did that just happen? They both get candy now.
Oh, candy.
Oh, okay, Katie.
1 minute, unlimited budget. I'm nuts.
I can't find anything I want.
You got 30 seconds. You don't want to buy anything for a stranger?
Yeah, we should.
10 seconds. They're panicking. 3, 2, 1. Stop.
4 things, 1 for a stranger.
Okay, ready? I'm now giving you 1 more minute to go buy whatever a stranger wants. Go.
Do you want anything in here? We'll buy it for you.
Is there anything I can buy you? This?
You want that? You want that? Okay, perfect. Okay, we'll go buy it for you.
3, 2, 1, done. Plushies for Sophia. By the way, do you guys like plushies? Should we do a plushie? Comment below.
Nice to meet you. Glad you won that challenge.
Very good. Before your daddy gets back, let's put one of these in our mouth, okay? And then, like, remember the thing that we did like a long time ago with the pasta? Yeah, let's do that to prank Jordan.
Okay.
All right, let's try.
No! What was that? It was really chewing. Whoa!
Wait, Salish, your necklace. How'd your dad not realize?
Oh, oopsies.
Do you think he found out?
I don't think so. He probably would have told us. What do you think the prize is going to be at the end?
I have no idea. Maybe you coming to Texas?
I can't.
That'd be a good.
I want to, though. Say gymnastics.
Okay, yeah, no.
Nadal is always trying to convince Salish to visit him in Texas, but she won't allow herself to miss gymnastics.
Wait, Salish, what if I talk to your gymnastics
You
coach?
are never talking to my gymnastics coach.
Why?
That's so embarrassing.
Guys, comment down below if I should talk to her gymnastics teacher.
No!
And tell her to come to Texas.
Are you guys having fun so far?
Yeah.
Rate this versus Disneyland.
This is better.
This is better?
Yes.
By the way, this is not me, this is Instagram. Should you wear 1 shirt together or exchange shirts?
No.
What are you hoping for?
1 shirt together.
Oh, well, you're in luck. Here's your shirt. Are you guys ready? No. Whoa. Alrighty. And then put your arm in. I don't know about this. Your shoelace is untied.
We have to tie it together.
You guys together. There we go. Oh.
Okay.
Let's go. The park is closing soon. If you guys want to get more rides, we better hurry up a little. Next ride.
Oh, shoot. It's not very easy. This is hard. I never want to do this again.
Me either. Sorry, guys. Over here. Sit down. Sit down.
Here, one hand. Here, just press the gas a little.
Get on it. Get on it. No.
Come on.
No.
Yes, they're taking photos.
Get ready. Okay, we picked a weird filter and we look really funny. Oh, best friends. The photos are printing. I got it. I got 3.
This one was a funny one. Wait. Let's do this one.
No, we are not doing that. I do not want to do that. No.
It doesn't actually show. Okay. Show yourself.
Now I need to watch.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing.
What?
Put half your hand. Look, ready?
I guess if Nadal asks her to do something, she does it. Because if I had said, why don't you get shocked? No way. And it's safe, right? I'm sure it's safe. Safe, yeah. They are having so much fun, and it is always so sweet, but it's actually hurting my heart to know that Salish is not going to see Nadal all summer.
I haven't seen Nadal in a month, so I think when I'm not with him, he does crying, some more crying, and way more crying.
Whatever she does is cringy TikToks.
What do you think the prize is gonna be?
You come to Texas or we go skydiving?
Oh, you want me to come to Texas?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so cute.
Of course I want you to come.
Oh, you want to see me?
To Texas, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can go to Kalahari.
Kalahari was so fun, and that's like almost a year ago now.
Wow, that was a long time ago.
That's crazy. Maybe we should do a part 2. If you guys want it, like this video. Hudson!
Okay, totally random, but look at who just showed up right here at Six Flags 2. Hudson is filming his own video right now. He's going to 5 amusement parks in 24 hours.
They're getting bigger. When they were in Disneyland, I think this would have been easier. Hey, Sandy, make my muscle look really good with a graphic. Oh!
Big surprise coming up, but here's the next challenge from Instagram. Dance in public or sing in public?
Oh no, please dance, please dance.
Yes, it's dance. Dance in public. Do you remember the dance Matt and Stefanita taught you?
Wait, you went like this, and then we went boom, boom. I'm not that flexible anymore, so I can't do that.
Oh, I had to do it back. Because they can do dance.
Yeah, choreograph one. Go for it.
Spin. You have to...
Hold on, let me show you what you're trying to do. A boom, and then you look, and then you go boom.
That's
boom,
line dancing.
Boom. That was pretty good, right?
Wrong way. You look like you're dying.
Hey, this way?
Yeah.
Oh.
You got to get it right because you're gonna have a big audience.
No.
Would everybody like to see a dance performance? A dance performance, right? Let's bring it in. Dance for your watching pleasure. Let's go! I want to introduce all of you to my daughter Salish and her best friend Nadal, better known as Nailish. Nailish! I still don't ship them, but I wanted to embarrass them. Take it away.
Oh my god, don't.
Now go give some high fives. Give high fives. Go give high fives. Go give high fives. Stop by. Ah!
That was the coolest dance I've ever seen in my life.
And I totally didn't tell him to just say that to the camera.
He's seen these necklaces out and he hasn't noticed anything.
Oh, I hope my dad likes these necklaces.
You mean my dad?
One day.
Magic Mountain, vegetarian over here. All she's eating is chips all day. Next challenge is this. Should they recreate the final Disneyland photo? Shocker! The answer's yes.
What was that one?
I'll give it. I'll wait for it.
Oh my god.
No!
There it is. It's the one that for the last 2 years everybody has said you kissed.
We didn't!
We didn't.
I know, but everybody else on the planet thinks you did. There's no kissing. There never was any.
You should pretend to kiss to mess with your dad.
There's no kissing. But it's a pretty photo and we're about to take it.
Now that we're 2 years older, get out of here.
Oh, should we skip this round?
Nope, get out of here.
Oh my god.
Here, I'll lean you.
Here we go, ready? Look at him. Look at her. This is prettier, go over here. Sorry, you guys tell me which is prettier.
The other one.
Salish, you match and everything. This is so pretty. Look at that. Yeah, warm up.
Oh my god.
Wait, hi Say, by the way, when did you get that necklace? Can I see that necklace?
What? Oh, I got it, Mom gave it to me.
Oh, that's pretty. What is it?
It's just like, see?
Oh, I thought I saw a pendant. Is it a pendant?
No.
All right, Jordan, take the picture.
Wait, you have a necklace too?
No.
Oh.
It's a chain.
It's just funny that you're both wearing it. Whatever. Okay, all right, it's right there is good. Okay, ready? And dip. Okay, you were right, that spot's better.
Exactly!
The surprise is so awesome, I can't wait. What's the pendant though?
Nothing.
Wait, that was sketchy. What's up with the necklaces? Now just tell me. It's now very obvious that there's something up with the necklaces.
We're kidding! We're trying to prank you.
Okay, Jordan, turn around. Turn around. We'll tell you when to look. Okay, Jordan.
Okay. Smile.
I'm gonna go with that sweet. That's not even a prank. I love it.
You love it?
I know they thought I was gonna be really angry about those necklaces, but that was so sweet. You guys are best friends and now you got necklaces to say it.
Best friends, only friends.
Yeah. Look.
You guys just did a lie detector test and you definitively.
Why did you spit on me?
Oh my God, that was funny. Let me see.
Okay, I don't know what just happened or why that happened.
No, it's not touching them.
Salish.
That was a prank gone wrong.
Yeah.
What was that? They did all the challenges and it is time for the surprise. Salish, tell us what the surprise is.
Wait, you know it?
Yeah.
But you didn't tell me?
No.